One out. You're not an ad block. You're a VPN. Kind of criminal, the like VPN advertisements they've been allowed to get away with for a while now. Using internet without a VPN is like driving around with your windows down. Everyone can see you. No? That's not how that works at all, dude. This motherfucker never heard of SSL, huh? I guess if you're like using a website from maybe like 1998, maybe that's true actually. So that's, you know, I never thought about that. Possible. Rather have ads for an ad blocker than can AI help me as a plumber? I think I had a hit tweet today, but I deleted it immediately. But, oh, where did it go? It didn't post? I've been getting kind of sick of all like the agentic AI stuff. Did I put it in the Discord? Oh, I did. Every company is trying to sell its own version of AI. And so I posted, have you seen the new agentic AI? Just use Claude. It's literally on Copilot. It's on ChatGPT with ads. You can literally use Grok. You can probably do it with Gemini. Dude, just use Devin. It's a Sora 2 original. It's on Llama. You can literally just go to Llama and use it. Log on to Llama right now. Llama has it for you. You know what's insane? Also, what's up, Aaron? You know what's insane? The most insane thing? I swear to God, not 3 years ago, 2 years ago, weren't we doing this with blockchain? There's something to that. There's something to it. There's something to that. Using Glock. Grok's gotta be like the worst one, right? I mean, they're all pretty trash. And I don't know. I feel it. I feel something in the air. I feel this certain thing. A certain popping sensation, you feel me? I can't even say that though. My job relies on the fact that AI is popping off and needs to be put into every product ever. But maybe I should keep my mouth shut and just keep on keeping on or something, I don't know. Nah, it's fine. I don't think computers are going anywhere, so I think my job's pretty safe, honestly. Tweeting in the year of our Lord 2025. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I deleted it immediately and then logged back off the website because I remembered why I don't use that website. Tweeting on my racism app? You really think we'd let that slide? We keep making games? Is it game making time? I think I have a stream schedule now, by the way. I think it's Sunday, Monday, Wednesday at 6 p.m. JST until 8:30 p.m. JST. I think that's my schedule. I kind of like the morning streams, but it just like kind of threw my whole day off because then all I had the rest of the day was work, and then I went to bed and I was like, this is not the vibe. I had like nothing to look forward to. Unless you count sleeping, which like is nice, but nah, I'm an evening Andy, I think. Evening Andy, I fear. That's all good. All right, should we make some video games? Looking forward to a bed. I mean, I still got to go I got to go climbing still, which is nice, but don't you know you have to really stream for 6 hours to pop off? I do think not enough of Pirate Software's out of nowhere success is attributed to the fact that that dude literally streamed for like 14 hours a day. I mean, and the thing is, like, I wouldn't recommend that to anybody. Are you kidding me? That's insanity. I think you should not stream more than like 4 hours a day, 3 times a week if you're just starting. Because like, man, it's so easy to just burn out on streaming. It's actually the easiest thing ever. And especially because the zeitgeist with streaming is like, just grind it out. Just grind. Like, no, brother, like get some sleep. 24-hour streams, time zones don't matter. Oh. I will do a subathon at some point in my life. I don't know when. Because, man, those things just work, huh? I think I watched Scrappy pay for, like, his entire year's worth of rent in a 24-hour period. I was like, oh, okay. That's crazy. All right. I'm opening Godot. Trash fishing. A little sleepy today. We're gonna take our time. See how it goes. Should be okay. All right, what were we working on? Let me open up the obsidian. Song's so good, dude. So, someone was gonna say finishing in a Roblox game was kawaii. What? Gatra, one of us needs to see a doctor immediately. Someone, just start over. Just type the whole. Just start to finish it one more time. All right, we're doing a zoom out on the fish catch, huh? You go like this. You click the thing. You caught glass. Does it need to zoom in? Typing with one hand while eating a banana. Monkey. I think so. And then it should zoom back out, and then you can catch another fish. Yeah, that makes sense to me. I like the movement. Someone was gonna say fishing rod in a Roblox game was kawaii. I actually said kawaii. Oh. Kawaii. Kawaii. Alright, you caught glass. You should be able to click again and it'll zoom back out. So we need to look for another click. What about your other two games? The Roblox Tycoon and what the other one was? I don't think I've ever seen you work on it with the platform before that. The slime game? Yeah. No, I can't do the slime game. That pace was not sustainable at all. No, absolutely not. I was legit working on that like 6 hours a day. Between editing and doing the game. No, there's just no, absolutely not. And I know one of you fuckers is already typing, well, have you tried doing it at a slower pace? Because that ruins the whole point. Sometimes people just want to say words, okay? 6 hours of game dev a day sounds like heaven. It would be if I didn't have 8 hours of regular job first. Just work 14 hours a day. Do it for more. I'm good. I'm all set on that. Okay, so we catch a fish. Then if we have another input, if we're in fish catch, then we actually zoom out. How do we do that? I don't know if this is the right place to have this. This might be a thing that goes into main. And then you tell. Yeah, it's fine. It's a game jam game. If in fish caught screen, we're gonna say reset fish, or I guess change like update state. We want to say like update state fishing, something like that. That's probably what we want to do. Why would the player have the state of the fish? I guess the player is like the entire encompassing of like the fishing person and the rod and the bobber. So we're gonna have a somewhat of a state machine here. Enum player state. Idle. Can reel. There's idle. I guess it'd be like waiting. Is catching, or like fish. I guess it'd be like fish on, and then in catch screen or something like that. We have waiting. You have a fish on bobber maybe. Yeah, like that. We're gonna do this, and we're gonna say idle or waiting. This resets the scene to be like right back at the start of the game. So now we're gonna say if player state equals player state dot fish on bobber. So this gives us the state that we have a fish that we can catch. And then this will say update state. We're gonna say player state fish on bobber. Like, there we go. And we need the update state function, and this is going to be like the main logic for the characters. We're going to put it up here. New state, the player state. So we're gonna say player state equals new state. And we can also put the logic for whatever we need to change here. So now we have this, that all works. The game should still work as normal. Does not. Okay, so when we catch the fish, we need to update the player state. So update state. This will be player state in catch screen. Chip it, try it, pop it. Nice, we click, now we're in the player catch thing. Now if I click again, nothing happens, which is perfect. Now, I wanna say elif player state equals player state dot in catch screen. We're going to exit catch screen. Go ahead and make that real quick. We're gonna zoom the camera out, so we're gonna say player camera. Actually, we shouldn't reference this directly. We should say, we should have a signal for this. Signal is exiting catch screen. We can signal this. Dot emit. We want to clear the UI as well. And actually, so this can actually just hook into the signal as well. So in the UI, we want to have the player caught fish, player node dot is leaving, what is it? Exiting? Yeah, dot connect. This will hide the catch display. Hide fish catch display. This. We can go here. This, and then say this dot visible equals false, like that. Cool. That should get that out of the way, and then all the last thing we need to do is the camera. So now we have function zoom out, var zoom tween. It's gonna actually look the same. Set parallel as well. And then we need two things. One, we're gonna set the zoom to be back to the starting zoom. Do this. We're gonna set the zoom to be 1. And then the zoom, the offset is also going to go back to vector 0. Vector 2, 0. Now, actually, does vector 2, 1 have a thing? It does. Neat. Okay, so we're there. We catch a fish. We zoom it in. I click. It cleared this. It didn't zoom out. We didn't connect to the signal. Player node dot zoom is exiting catch screen dot connect. This will be zoom out. Okay, try it. Fish comes up. We say sweet. Click it. You caught glass. Zooms back out. Hey, hey! Looking good. Okay, now we need to add the background fish. Eat fish. Projects, real trash? Nope, trash fishing, what did I call it? Yeah, trash fishing for now. Camera zooms out on fish catch. Yeah, cool, all right. Next we wanna add all the background fish. So first things first, we need to create fish manager class. That sounds like a thing you'd take at college. I'm really into my fish management arc, you know? Cool. All right. That's good to go. What's next? This one. Yeah, so we zoom out. That's all good to go. What's next? I lost my train. Oh. Create fish manager class. We want to prefab some fish. And then we want to fish move left to right. Well, fish move across bottom of screen like this. It's more of like an ambient thing. So we're gonna set up like the ambient version first, I guess. Yeah. Something like that. How do we actually do that? Well, we look here. this is the one that got like selected, but we need something that just like has a bunch of fish swimming around in the background, maybe even above the boat, which also means we need to do some like layering to make sure that they're always behind the player sprite, but that's okay. I think we need to move the player up a bit as well, because we need more room to have like the fish in the game. I'm gonna, oops, not you. You're right where you belong. Where's the player node? Where are you? There we go. I grab you and put you like up here, I think. Does that still look okay in the game? Yeah. Does the offset still look okay? I mean, the bobber needs to be moved as well, but this needs to be moved. I'd like this node, please. Not you. Fuck. How do I just want you. No, under you. Right like there. Try again. Yeah, that looks pretty nice. Then we bite, we zoom in. I feel like the offset needs to be slightly different now. It needs to be maybe like 48. That's 4,800. That's probably a bit much. Pretty bit excessive. Say, fish. That's perfect. Okay, you caught glass. Congrats! I'm so proud of you. The other thing is the pixel scale is weird because this guy is like everything in the game is really zoomed in. So this scale actually needs to be x8. This needs to be times 8. Oh, I can't change it. Why not? Is it this? Wait. Oh? Does this need to be x4 as well? Yeah, this isn't. Well, it's. I'm not gonna mess with it. It's okay. It's okay. It's not that big of a deal. It's fine. It's fine. Okay. Cool. What's next? Right. So let's start making some fish. Just spawn in. So for that, we need the fish manager. This is my manager, fish. Okay, we go like this. Next, we're going to prefab basically this object. Do you have any like stuff? You do. You have this. You have this like move towards the bobber. I'll yoink this code in a moment. Let's actually make the prefab version of this first. We're gonna make a node 2D, call it fish. We're gonna attach I can't because this is gonna well, I can call it fish node. To attach script here. Class name fish node extends node 2D. It needs a sprite 2D as well. Add child sprite 2D. This and this sprite needs to be times 4 on the scale like that. We also have some sprites we can actually use for this. We need to go yoink them in a moment, but for now it's okay. We need to like turn them into resources to do that, so I'm just gonna make them have the default one for now. Fish. Small fish. There you go. Where are you at right now? Oh, you're in the middle of the screen. Welcome to the middle of the screen, small fish. Not the player camera. I don't want that one. I want the fish. There you go. Cool. We need to anchor this though. That way it's in the middle of the node. But everything's in the middle of the node. Ah. Transform. Give me like -10. I can grab you. There we go. Sick. Okay. We need you to spawn on the left side of the screen, or alternatively on the right side of the screen, but flipped. So I suppose that'll be it here when we do this, when we do the actual manager class. For now, I just need you to go to the right. So how do I do that? You're gonna have like a speed, I guess. So in function process, so you have a var movement direction equals 1, because that means you're gonna go to the right. So you're gonna say, you also need a speed. Our swim speed, because they're a fish. Swim speed equals, I'm gonna give you a 10, I'm gonna give you 100. You can be a fast fish. Okay, we're gonna say position plus equals movement direction times swim speed times delta. And this is graphical, there's no physics, so we can just leave it in process, that's okay. Okay, so now you should swim to the right, I think. Nope, you hate me, okay. Oh, this is position.x, yeah. Okay, try it. Yeah, look at him go. Yeah, and then you can zoom in, you can zoom back out, and he's still trucking. Okay, sick. I'm happy for him. Cool. Okay, that works. Sweet. What do we need to do next? Yo, yeah, what's up? Hello, hello. Thank you so much for the raid. How are you? Welcome in, everybody. Yeah, do you want to see the game I'm working on? You know how you're doing a game jam game? Guess what I'm doing? I'm also doing a game jam, but it's also self-imposed. You see, I asked my viewers for terrible game ideas, and one of the game ideas I received was a fishing game. Except there's no fish. All you can do is catch trash. For example, glass. Isn't that great? You're fishing trash. It's called Real Fish. How was your stream? How'd it go? How are you? Are you working on the card game still? I popped in for like literally 0.001 seconds. I hope your stream went well though. Also, hello. Hope you're doing well. All right, what are we working on? We were created this. We need to prefab the fish. Before you cook your fish, you need to prefab it. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees, then prefab your fish. I have a prefab fish that we worked on before the show. Save as scene. Scenes. Fish node. And now, die. Thank you. This is the fish manager. Attach script here like this. I'm gonna say class name fish manager. We need the actual prefab that we just made. So we're gonna rotate scenes here. Why is the fish script in the scenes folder? You don't live there. That's not your home. Get out of there. Okay. Fish manager. We need the fish node like this. We need some function that's spawn new fish. Function spawn fish. Like that, probs. I was working on a card game and spent an unreasonable amount of time on getting the cards to fucking center. Dude, when we made Slay the Spire, or we like clone Slay the Spire ones, I had the same problem for so long. Feel bad because I told my teammate that I'm gonna have something usable in Engine for them to play around in by tomorrow. I'm gonna go to bed and I have nothing. I mean, that's just how it goes. It is what it is. You will be more productive, as painful as it sounds, just by like taking a break, get some sleep, maybe try to hack at it again tomorrow. But it's game jam vibes. It's okay. Not everything can be done. It just happens. It's okay. And if your teammate gets mad at me, tell them to talk to me. I'll chew them out as if we were all working at a company together or something. I don't know. That sounds. I don't know where I was going with that. Don't do that. I'll get mad at them for you. I'm good. I'm a hater. I was born to hate. Hating gives me life. Okay, so we have this. We're gonna say Roger, sir. Oh no. The fish node equals. I can give them a fish. Just kidding. It's not a fish. You caught glass, but it's crunchy. Fish can be crunchy. So really, if you think about it. Direct out complaints to skyguardtv.twitch/tv/Scott. Yes. I want to be Yag's complaint center. I think it would be a very easy job. I don't think many people have anything to beef with Yag about. Also, we were glazing you in Booyah's chat today. I don't know if you were there for it. Or in Whitechapel, sorry. Whitechapel's chat today. We were glazing you really hard. I don't think you were there. I'll do it again. I'll fucking glaze you again. It's like, this is the game. Alright, we have a fish. We need to set the fish position. Var swim direction. What the hell? You weren't there to defend yourself, so we had to glaze you. I believe we said she's very smart. And then I said, I agree. That was my contribution to the conversation. So, you know, I'm really in your corner. I can be a Cinco fan if you need me to. Fucking. Anyways, what were we doing? Swim direction. Right. This is going to be Randy. I hate that. No, fuck this. I'm going to say -1 dot choice dot random. Pick random. There you go. That's your swim direction, which also means that your spawn needs to be either the left or the right spawn. So we actually need to establish what the left and right spawns are. What is this position right here? It's... Oh, because the camera's all cooked. It's simply minus... What is that? Minus 400 is probably fine, honestly. Minus 400 and 450. Okay, that's fine. We can probably make it 450, 450 for both. Export var left spawn position equals minus 400. Export var right spawn position equals 450, I think I said. Also, glaze is like the worst thing ever. Every time I hear it, it sounds like you're pouring oil on someone. I don't know why. It's pretty close to pouring oil on someone. Basically, it's something you pour on sweets generally. Yeah. Yeah, you had like the right idea. See? The slang worked. And now we all know what it means. It worked. Yeah, I really gotta eat. My cat has turned into yelling at me. Good feeling to go to bed. Bye, yeah. Hope to see you again soon. Good luck with your game. I hope you get some good rest. And some water. I don't know, I'm always dehydrated after I stream. Alright, let's keeping on. Swim direction. Okay, so if swim direction equals -1, then we know you're going from the left. So we're gonna say new fish node dot position. We need to roll the Y position. What are the Y position bounds? Export var Y spawn height, max Y spawn height. Spawn height is probably gonna equal what? I don't want you to spawn higher than the boat, but I guess the whales can because they're kind of chunky. That's what, like 50? That's good enough for me. We're gonna say max spawn height is 50, and then the export var min Y spawn height is gonna equal certainly a number. As to what number, I mean, your guess is as good as mine. Probably like 220. 175? How's 175 sound? Sounds pretty good to me. Cool. All right, now we need to randomize the Y direction. So we're gonna say var Y spawn position equals randef range. We're gonna say min Y spawn height, max Y spawn height. Yeah, there we go. So now we have this. Position is then going to equal, if you're on the left, you're going to say left spawn position equals vector to left spawn position, Y spawn position. Else, new fish node dot position. Yo, Leviathan, hello. It's been a minute. Actually, no, you were here the other day. What am I talking about? I saw you playing the Bazaar earlier. This is what you get for being friends with me on Steam. I slowly stalk all of my friends' games. Yo, have you played Ball Pit yet, Leviathan? I feel like that's your game. I feel like even if you don't know who they are, you're kind of NL pilled. I feel like that might be your guy. I have not, but it looks very autism coded. It looks pretty fucking good, I'm not gonna lie. Okay, this spawns the fish. Then we're gonna say add a child, new fish. We also need to set the swim direction on the fish, so we're gonna say new fish node dot u piece new fish node. We should be able to say swim. Nope. What did I call it? Direction? Swim. What are you? Oh, no. It should be swim direction. I like that better. We have swim direction and swim speed. Watching CF I could chill out. Yeah, I watched that game too. Kinda tragic. Cannot assign type bool to variable new fish node. Without what? Cannot assign a value of type bool to variable new fish node with specified type fish node. Godot, what are you on right now? What? Type bool to variable new fish node with... This ain't a boolean, brother. What are you talking about? Huh? What? It's not a boolean, nerd. Something has gone terribly wrong. Do you think this is a... That's a node 2D, brother. What the fuck is happening? I didn't spell fish wrong, did I? No. Cannot assign a value of type boolean. Oh, that's can instantiate. Right. I don't know how that got mistyped. Okay. I'm done losing my mind. Click. Cool. All right, now we need to spawn fish. The thing is, like, I want to spawn... Oh, we need to randomize the speed, too. Yeah. We're going to say the new fish node, swim speed equals... We can export these as well. Export var min swim speed equals 50. Export var max swim speed equals 150. That's 4,001. That's a fast fish. Yeah. Okay, so we can say rand f range min swim speed max swim speed, like that. Cool. Now it should have a random swim speed as well. So the way I want this to work, we also need the fish to like kill themselves if they swim too far. The way I want this to work is that there should always be like 5 fish on the screen. So there's always like 5 fish for the game to pick from to like want to take your bobber. So at the start of the game, we need to spawn up to 5, and then we need to check when a fish despawns, we need to spawn in a new fish. Also, when you catch a fish, we need to spawn in a new fish. So there's 2 conditions in which we spawn a new fish. So let's just spawn 5 fish first. Function ready. Export var target fish equals target fish count equals 5. Let's say there's 5 fish. For flank in range target fish count, we're going to spawn fish. Spawn fish. So now we should have selected loop variable name after 4. It's right there. Do you not like this? Surely that. Am I tripping? It doesn't let you do underscore? Since when? You can do underscore. What? Okay. Fish index. I don't know, man. Waiting for Arc Raiders release. Gonna play the shit out of that. What's Arc Raiders? I've never even heard of that. Arc Raiders. That sounds like people that are just really into like big game hunting circa whenever the Bible was being written or whatever. That was not a good joke. That was swimming a little too far in like the theology deep end. Theological deep end. Yeah, that's the word. All right, ship it. Now there's 5 fish on the screen. Okay, that guy is kind of moonwalking, but other than that, I'm pretty happy for him. There should also be a delay with like the first 5 fish. Yeah, we should have like a small delay between spawning the first 5 fish. So we're gonna say, oh, we need to flip the sprite too. New fish node. So if it's to the left, we're gonna flip the sprite. New fish node. Well, we could do set direction. We're gonna say fish node dot set swim direction. There we go. That works better. And then here we can say function set swim direction. We're going to say swim direction equals direction. If swim direction equals -1, we're going to get the sprite. This will be the sprite 2D is fine. This dot flip H. Now you should know it should not be moonwalking this time. Valid access or property to key flip H on base of object type nil. We can't do this until you exist because you do not yet have children. Right. Actually, I think we can probably insert this immediately because it's being added off screen. Although it might flash in this another screen for a moment. I don't know. Nope, looks fine to me. Why are you still moonwalking? My fish are moonwalking. Why? Not you. You're not real yet. It's minus. Oh, let's see. Yeah. Equals true. Right. We have to actually set it. Try again. Yeah, dude. We have fish. Yeah. New extraction shooter by the people who made the finals. The finals looked fucking fun, dude. I never played it, but it looked fun. It looked like the movement of Brink, but like in an actual video game, not in Brink, which is like pretty pog. No hate on Brink. It's just, you know, it's Brink. Okay. Okay, so we have our fish are no longer moonwalking. That's fantastic. We need to do item resources and also fish resources. We need to have a fish resource. Oh, we need to port the bobber selection stuff over too at some point. Oh, we actually have a thing for that already. Okay, we need fish resources. That's first and foremost. You can't have a game without fish resources. Joke's on you, they're not actually fish. Okay, we're gonna make a new folder. Call this resources, like that. We're going to create a new folder here. We're gonna call it fish. Do I want to save the template in the same spot? No, I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to say this is the resource. How do I want to do this? Well, let's just make it first, then I can worry about sorting. We're going to create a new... How do you do this? You create a new script, and you say inherent resource, I think. Yeah, and then this is going to be fish resource .gd. We can go to this and we're going to say class name fish resource extends resource. And now we can do stuff like having a sprite. So we're going to have, how many fish do we have? Projects, fish, trash, what the fuck? Trash fishing. Good. Assets, we're gonna have the fish. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 fish. The thing is, like, these guys should probably like bob up and down in the water. So I'm gonna start with just these 4, and then we can get the octopus because they're not gonna go like left to right. You know, they're gonna do a little bit of a wop move, a little bit of an up down motion. We can figure that out later. For now, let's start with these 4 fish. So we have 4 fish. We have small, normal, big whale. Small, normal, big whale. Yeah, that makes sense. So this will be export. Well, the only thing we need right now is the script or the sprite. So this will be. You need the resource path, or do you need a texture path? I think you do it like this. Texture 2D. This will be sprite texture. I think that's how you do it. Export var, like that. And now I should be able to look at this, and it should have a resource. No, I make it, okay, now I make a new resource, and it'll be a fish resource, like that. This will be small fish. And now this should have the, yeah, and then we can load, yeah, it's gonna work. Fish, small. And now it has the small resource, yeah, dude, let's go. All right, now we're gonna make a new folder. These will be called instances. And then in instances, we're gonna make a new folder called fish. Then we put the small fish resource instance in the fish category. There you go, now we got a small fish. Look at that, we got a fish. Hell yeah, dude. I'm making an aquarium over here. Okay, what's next? Next, we make the rest of the fish. So we actually need to yoink their sprites out of here. Come with me if you want to live, small fish. Give me that. There we go. We're gonna export this in. Choose folder. This will be normal. The young normal fish. Okay, let's grab the next one. That. Export as. This will be big fish. Ah. Okay. Last one we need is the whale. This guy's huge. I think it's from here. Yeah. Got it. Perfect. Don't line up with anything else, please. Did I get you? In your entirety? Very nice. Whale. They're gonna be so cute. Jago cooked so hard. Sadly, I might not be able to keep my crappy quest code. We love refactoring. This is whale. .png. Export. Okay, we have 4 fish. Now we can go here, create new resource. This will be a fish resource. This will be normal fish. I'm gonna go here, texture. We're gonna load the texture. Assets, fish, normal fish. Okay. Create new resource. Fish. You already know the drill. This will be large fish. Like this. We go here. We're gonna load. Assets, fish. Oh, I called it big. Ah, whatever. Last one, we're gonna have the whale. Whale fish. I don't think whale fish makes sense, like taxonomically, but it's okay. Assets, fish, whale. Okay, we have 4 fish now. In the fish manager, we're going to roll between the 4 fish. I don't want to do the big fish yet. I think they're going to be like special, so let's just do these 3 first. Give me that. Thank you. We're gonna say const. You can't do a const list. You're gonna say var fish resources equals large fish. Let's do it in order. Why not? Small fish. Stop it. Small fish. Normal fish. Stop it. Large fish. Nice. Fish resources like this. I'm gonna reorder these now too, because I'm just being a little freak about it. I don't know. Like that. All right, small fish, normal fish, large fish. There we go, dude. Yeah. Okay, now when we make the fish, we're going to have another thing on the fish node that's going to say set texture. Function set texture. Texture to fish texture. And this will be texture 2D. Texture 2D. Yeah, what's up, Prasad? How are you? How are you? Hope you're doing well. Fish texture. Okay, so now we can say the sprite 2D dot texture. That's not real, huh? How do you set texture? Went to the hospital again. Are you okay, dude? Set texture on sprite. Function change sprite var texture equals load. It is dot texture. Wait, what? Am I crazy? I have to go again tomorrow? Like, legitimately, are you okay, dude? Texture. Okay, there we go. Fish texture. There we go. Cool. Now we go back to the fish manager. When we spawn in the fish, we're going to add it, and then we're going to say, this can actually happen before, which is kind of nice. Var fish. That's first. Fish resource. Doctor wasn't in today. I just walked for 40 minutes. Jesus Christ, man. Dot random. Pick random. This is our resource now, so I'm going to label it as such. Fish resource. We're going to say new fish node. Doesn't exist yet. New fish node dot set texture. Nope. Set sprite. What did I call it? I just set texture. This should be a public function. Set texture. New fish resource dot texture. Hello? What is it called? Sprite texture. There you go. Okay. Now they should all have different textures. Look at that, they do! They can kind of overlap though, which is a bit of a problem. Because now that fish looks like he's like slowly mutating or whatever. Okay, that's just unlucky, I assume. That's not that unlucky. The fish are kind of big. But it's kind of working. I'm noticing there's like a burst of fish at the start of the game though. Oh, 5 from the right, huh? Maybe it should only be like 3 at a time. In case we get like the whale or something. Or they could each take like a amount of like fish available. So like a big one takes 3, a small takes 2, and a small takes 1, a medium takes 2 or something. And then a whale takes... If there's a whale on the screen, it's like all 4 something. Fish copy but 2D. Yeah, we going fishing. Boop. We caught a fish. Okay, I just need a guy to finally give me the you're alive confirmation. Well, I wish you the best of luck. Okay, we can spawn fish. I'm gonna set a small timer here. I'm gonna say await. get tree dot create timer 0.1 dot timeout. That should wait like 1/10 of this. This should wait 10 millisecond, 0.1 second, I think. Didn't do that at all. How about 100? That's in seconds. So what about 1 second delay? Yeah, that works. Okay. That works. I'm good with that. Boop. You got glass. Ooh, all right. I'm gonna say point. I'm gonna say 2 is actually okay. Yeah. Last thing we need to do is this on queue free. New fish node dot on queue scene exited. What is the? Is it exit? Tree. Oh, tree exited. Dot connect. Spawn fish. When you die, create a new. Cut off 1 fish and 2 more shall take its place. Thing is, they don't despawn after a certain amount of distance, which is a bit of a problem. Invalid assignment of property or key texture on value type compressed texture 2D on base of object with type nil. I don't even know what the fuck you're trying to say to me right now. Sure, man. Okay. What's next? Next, we need to have them actually despawn when they leave the screen. So the fish, we can just code. Ow! I just smacked my table with my hand. We can just code this in here. So if your var despawn travel distance equals just the resolution of the screen, but I don't know what that is technically. So I'm gonna look at it with my eyes. We're gonna go to main. What's the screen size here? Well, we're going from what? Like minus 400-ish to what's this? What's this? What are you? Window size, please. Oh yeah, nice casual 768. Okay, we'll say 900 then. Fish node. This to be export var. Var swim despawn distance is going to equal. I'm gonna say 1,000. We're like this, so we're gonna say var swim position equals, or swim distance. Var swim var. I'm gonna call this swim frame swim distance. Sure. Equals this. This. We're gonna do this. Then we're gonna have our traveled distance equals 0. Say travel distance plus equals ABS frame swim distance. So I guess this would be swam distance. Distance swam. Distance swam. Swam. If distance swam is greater than or equal to swim spawn distance, queue free. Get the hell out of here. Like that. Cool. Now they should despawn after 1,000 and a new fish should spawn. So we see our little fish on the left side of the screen here. He's swimming. He's swimming. We have 3 fish on the screen. We have 4 fish on the screen. We have 5 fish on the screen. When that one leaves the screen, a new fish should spawn. It does! Look at that! Cool. All right. Very lively. Look at all these fish we have. Look at that. Kind of peaceful in its own way. Even though deep down we know that none of these are fish. In fact, they're all just random pieces of garbage. Kind of a rude way to put it out. The fish didn't really do anything to me. I don't know why I'm acting like that. Kind of nice though. I could low-key just watch this for a while. I feel like maybe they need a little bit more movement, but nah, it's fine. It's a game jam game. Who cares? Guess what? You caught glass, idiot. Cool. All right. What's next for us to do? Good question. Thank you for asking. I still don't know what even that's about, but I guess the game crashes when you close it. Item resources. This should not be attached to the fish. There should be a loot table somewhere The fish will emit what kind of fish it is, but you won't actually need to... The fish won't contain what items it can roll. That doesn't make any sense. We're not going to do that. We're going to do the next part, which is selected fish goes to the bobber. So now the fish needs to have what our original fish had, which is this. All of this stuff. So we're going to grab this. Well, I'm going to grab most of this. How much of this do I actually want to grab? Well, the scene references don't make any sense because they don't exist. The tween does need to exist. This is not a scene ref, though. I don't know why it's in the scene ref part. I guess tween is like... It would be here? Yeah. We need that. Can you stay on the fish, please? So we need that. Bobber's dead zone, we do need that. Bobber dead zone, this is properties. This is state. This is technically part of the properties. This is child refs. I'm gonna put that up at the top actually. This tween is actually, technically speaking, it's part of the state of the thing. Okay, go back to the fish. We need this, that's part of the state. Is at bobber. False. Back to main. Back to fish. Stop going to, just stay at fish. Stay at the goddamn fish. So let's see. Signals has approached bobber. We need that as well. Signals. That's, and then finally we need a couple of the functions that were in this too. We're going to scoop out. So create move towards bobber tween. Obviously we're going to need that. We need the scene ref to the bobber. On ready var bobber. Well, we can't on ready this obviously. So var bobber node. It's like that. And that will be what is used here. And that will tween us towards the bobber correctly. What else do we need? We need a way to like select that the fish has been chosen. Clear my throat 1 sec. Damn, I need to get my like humidifier or something. My voice is kind of dying on me. What the heck? I've only been live for like an hour. How's my voice jumping out the window, huh? The heck, man? Okay, yeah, we need a way to select the fish. You have been chosen. We're gonna say this, if the tween exists, we're going to move towards the bottom. We're in the process, we can. So this is if, where's the tween? Where's my tween? Am I silly? Where'd it go? Oh, move towards bobber tween, yeah. If move towards bobber tween, we're gonna move towards the bottom. Ah! We're gonna do this. Like that. What are you mad about? Oh, this is the bobber node. Bobber node. So if we're not there, we're gonna do this. Else, we need to actually just keep swimming to the left or right or whatever. There we go. Approach bobber, emit. How does the fish know to queue free though? Is that ever just, is it ever queued free? Yeah, somehow it gets queued free. I don't know how. As approach bobber, emits. Move towards bobber. Oh, it kills the tween. Is there one more thing in here that like destroys it when it's done? Oh, okay, that's strange. We're gonna delete that. Fish manager, this needs to assign the bobber node, so it needs a reference to the bobber. Go ahead and grab it there. There we go. And now it needs to assign it when the fish exists. New fish node dot bobber node equals this. There you go. Now, at some interval, we're going to select one of our children to be the selected fish. So we're gonna add a timer to this. No, we can't add a timer. We have to create the timer here because we can't do add child. Otherwise, I can't use fun magic of select children. So we need a timer. We're gonna say var select fish timer. It's a timer. And the ready, we're gonna say select fish timer equals get tree dot create timer. This is going to be time is going to be every 2 seconds. Scene tree timer cannot be. Oh, you can't do that, huh? I didn't know that. Timer dot new. Yeah. Select fish timer dot timeout is going to equal 2 seconds. Select fish timer dot start, and we need select fish timer dot one shot is false, I think. That cannot assign a new value to a constant. It's not a constant. What are you talking about? What? It's a var, brother. What? Oh, what do you mean? Freaking me out, man. What? Huh? Time. Wait time. Oh, it's wait time. That's why. Okay. Now it should do that on timeouts. We're gonna say select. Oh wait, timeout. That connect. Select fish. Yeah. So now we're gonna go here. Function select fish. We're gonna say. We need to pick a child at random, so we're gonna say children, get children dot pick random, and then that fish is going to be selected. So that fish will say so var selected fish node. We're gonna say oops. We're gonna say select fish, selected fish dot what? Create move towards bobber tween? Because the tween is what sets this whole thing off. Yeah, I think that's what I wanted. In the fish manager, we're gonna say this dot create move towards bobber tween. Now that should mean that a fish has been selected, which also we need the state that a fish has been selected. We don't have state yet. Var as is fish selected, so boolean equals false. On here, we're gonna say select fish is fish selected equals true. On the timeout, we're gonna say if not is fish selected. That's this, and then we're gonna go like this. Now only one fish should get picked. And that fish should go towards the bobber. Let's see. Nope, it immediately crashed. Has approached bobber on base of object null of instant. Oh, you don't. This doesn't exist anymore. Right. Well, I guess we'll do this on the manager class. For now, I'm gonna just say do nothing. Yeah, that's fine. Oh, you need this though, huh? Oh, you delete the fish. That ain't right at all. You should not have access to that fish. That is not your fish. Okay, so we have some fish. One of them should get selected at some point, and it should move towards the bobber. None of them have been selected. Oh, that's a damn shame. That one's not working, huh? What's the debugger say? Was not added to the scene, right. Oh, so you have to add it. Well, hang on. I don't want to pick the timer, though. Shit. I mean, you could define it outside of the class. That feels a bit weird. You do something like this, though. Yeah, you could do this. Timer. Fish select timer. I don't love this approach, but it kind of fixes the problem that we're having. You could do that. This should be by unique. I guess there's an argument to doing it like this. I don't really fuck with it, but it's not strictly speaking wrong. Connect, select fish. That's fuck you, Godot. Okay. Now on this one we can say 2 seconds, auto start, not one shot. Okay, try it now. Has a fish been selected? It did, it got selected, it went to the bobber. Yeah, okay. Still don't understand that bug at all. Okay, now fish manager will contact this thing. So the selected fish will then connect to our signal. This dot, what's the signal you emit here? Has approached bobber. Okay. Has approached connect. We're gonna say, do you actually have a reference to the player? So you can just call the player node directly. Player node dot is at bobber. What do I say here? Catch fish on fish approach bobber. Yeah, you can just do this. Not the best way of doing it because you technically shouldn't have authority on like what the player signals influence, but whatever. Okay, so someone gets selected. It's you. You approach the thing. Click. You caught glass. Then we zoom out. We need to kill the fish too. What is this bug? Yeah, what's up, Pokefighter? Sweet, it's working, dude. Last thing, we need to queue free. We need to queue free when we're done. So how do we do that? Who's in charge of killing this fish? It's a good question. It's a hard one to answer. Who should kill this fish? I guess the player should kill it. We're gonna say bind selected fish. And then this will have fish node. And then at the end of this, we can say our current like var fish on line, the fish node, not a fish manager, a fish node equals null. So now we can say fish online. More to view about. Fish online equals fish. On reel then, on catchfish, we can say this dot queue free. Or sorry, it should be on exit catch screen. It should die here. Okay, let's try that. Try that. So we got the fish. He comes up, grabs the bobber, we click, you caught glass, he despawns, and now a new fish spawns. And nothing else happens because we haven't cleaned up the fish is not being caught state. So we're gonna have, this is true, we're gonna connect here. We need a new function. On fish reeled in. Fish is a fish node. That. So instead we're gonna say on fish reeled in, and we're gonna do two things here. One, we're gonna say is fish select. Really be is fish selected. Like that. I like that better. Is fish selected. Yeah. This will equal false now. And then we're gonna say selected. Oh, we need to pass the actually we can do this. This dot bind the fish. Why do you hate me? It's not declared in current scope. That makes a lot of sense. We're gonna say player node dot fish on fish approached bobber fish. I think that should work. And now it should clear the state. So, okay, so we're chilling. A fish gets picked. We reel it in. We caught glass. Another fish has already been picked. Okay, we're just infinitely catching glass. Also, you didn't queue free because the other fish took your spot, dude. No. Suggestions allowed? Depends on the scope of the suggestion. I suppose suggestions are allowed, but I'm not obligated to do them. This should be on the fish reeled. So this actually we shouldn't even be doing this. You don't actually need this signal. And this can go back to how it was. So this will be player node like this. Yeah. Then we connect to the player node to say fish reeled in. Golden fish or uranium fish, give or take. The problem with that is that I have fooled you. Or these are not fish. It's all trash. There's not a single fish in the entire game. You can only catch trash, but they look like fish. We're gonna say player node dot caught fish dot connect on fish caught, and this, my understanding is that this goes off when This goes off when the player is done catching the fish, right? Yeah, caught fish emit. Okay, perfect. Cool, 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 cool. Caught fish that connect on fish caught. This is what we'll say is fish select. This will clear. Is fish selected equals false. I guess it shouldn't be selected. It should be like is fish. There's technically two states going on here, but this is okay. So fish comes up, it bites the bobber. We click zoom in. You caught glass. Congratulations. We zoom back out. Another fish got immediately picked. That's not quite correct, but oh god, the fish. Hang on, this isn't working. What the fuck is this bug? Why does this keep happening when I close the game? Is the sprite getting set after? Yeah, it's after it adds child. Whatever, it's fine. Is fish selected as true? So if not, how is there another fish then? There can't ever be more than one fish. Select fish. If not, is fish selected? And if, I mean, I'm no genius, but is fish selected is like most certainly set to be true here. Maybe this isn't the right signal? Catch fish, play catch animation. Oh, this isn't the right signal. There should be another one. Is exiting catch. Yeah. Here we go. Okay, try now. Okay, try. A fish comes up. Yeah, great. Bites the bobber. Reel it in. Caught glass. Yummy. Zoom out. And now another fish could be. Okay, you were kind of moonwalking a bit. Don't love that for you, but I respect the effort on the moonwalk. I'm noticing a problem with the moonwalking. I have Michael Jackson fish in the water. That's fine. That was a fine one. Not more glass. Congrats. Yeah, the backward swimming fish is a little off-putting, but whatever. Cool. It's all working. It's all getting hooked up correctly. Why does this keep happening? Not assignment of property or key texture. I don't know. Oh, parent node is busy setting up children. Add child failed. Consider using add child deferred. Add child.call deferred. Sure, if that's what you want me to do. Well, now it immediately crashes because yeah, that doesn't make any sense. That's not correct. You fooled me. You can't call defer because I need to use it right when the thing comes in. Yeah, it should just be add child. I think this only happens right at the end of the game when I'm closing it. Yeah, it's literally when I close the game, it bugs out on whatever the last fish was. That's interesting. Strange. Use groups to identify other scenes fish and use the fish's own script to queue free fish. Like if isn't group fish. Yeah, this kind of works too though. I don't think there's like a big distinction between the two. It's fine. Fish online, the new MMO. Sweet. All right. Well, this guy, I hope you're doing well. I'm a little sleepy today, but otherwise I'm doing pretty good. Thank you for asking. I appreciate it. Cool. All right. What are we doing next? Next, we need to play ads on Twitch. We need to fix moonwalking fish. Fish moonwalking fish. I'm gonna play ads on Twitch real quick. Sorry if you're on Twitch. I love you. See you in 3 minutes. I'll see you in a minute and a half. I'll be kind. I'm a benevolent god. Okay, we can fix this later because this is like a stylistic thing. So this is stylistic. Stylistic. Fix, not fish. Fix moonwalking fish. Fix moonwalking fish. Okay, update fish display to display correct item from resource. So before that, we need to actually roll resource on fish catch. Maybe there's a world where we do like different fish can have different loot tables for catches, but I think for what we're doing now, everything can just roll the same loot table. That's probably fine. And then if we want to tweak it later, we can. But for now, I think we can just let it rip. I don't think it's that big of a deal. I'm just gonna let it rip. So we need a like table of catchable garbage. We need the garbage table. We need resources for the garbage. So we're gonna make a new resource here. Create new scripts. This one here from resource. That. Instances, this will be trash resource. That. You go here, my friend, because you're not an instance. Trash resource class. Trash resource. Extends resource. Okay, next we're going to... What? You need a sprite. You need a name. Export var name. It's a string. Export var texture. Trash texture. Texture 2D, like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and make some of these. Create new folder. We're gonna call this trash. I'm the garbage man. Okay, create new resource like this. We're gonna call it a trash resource. Love a good trash resource. This is gonna be glass. And now we can preload a bunch of this stuff in here. So we're gonna say glass. And then we need to get the texture as well. We're gonna say load. Resources, nope, I'm going totally wrong. Okay, items. Oh, we need to slice up the actual items, huh? I like that I called them items here, not trash. That was very kind of me. All right, sprites. We're gonna open up the trash. Trash fishing assets, items PNG. We're gonna start slicing stuff up. This also means we need to change some of the UI stuff to scale with these different sprite sizes, but that's okay. Look, a glass bottle. You can catch this in my game Real Trash. On itch.io in approximately a month or something? I don't know. Agile sometimes doesn't work in Japan due to the low birth rate. I don't understand why Japan gets clowned on for the low birth rate thing. Everywhere has a low birth rate. Like, most countries aren't at replacement levels. That being said, it's true though. Nobody here wants kids. I don't want kids. Are you kidding me? I'm already like a 30-year-old adult baby. You think I need another version, like half version of me running around who's also a child? One of me is plenty. Also, I'm not 30, but you get the point. This is gonna be glass. Glass. Export. Gimme. Thank you. Okay, perfect. Now, when we go to actually catch a fish, we're gonna roll the thing that we can catch. So in the player node, I guess, this is fine for now. We're going to have our resources part. Resources. Trash. Bar trash resources. Yeah, we're gonna have a big list of random garbage. Literally. Look at this garbage. I'm gonna add like 2 more just so I have some variety in my trash. What else is a good one? Oh, we gotta start with the newspaper. I mean, that's the newspaper, man. You gotta have the newspaper. Did Jaguar actually make these all 18 by 18 and I'm just being a fool by not slicing them correctly? What's this one? That's 13 by 20, so the answer is no. I like the plastic rings too. I'm gonna use that one as well. Plastic rings. Give me that. Yes, thank you. Soup. All right, we're gonna save this up. Export as plastic rings. Plastic rings. This is in the fish. Plastic rings. Nice. Export. Yummy. File export. This is going to be the old soggy newspaper. Every good fishing game needs a soggy newspaper, obviously. Soggy newspaper. Yep, perfect. Okay, export. Okay, now we have all the resources. Nope, we need to make more. Copy this. Copy this. Damn, they fucking hate me. Copy this. You can't do that? Duplicate. Yeah. This will be soggy newspaper. Nice. We're gonna call it soggy newspaper. Like that. We're gonna change the sprite here. Clear it out. Load it up. Glass. Newspaper. Okay, let's do one more. This will be the plastic rings. Plastic rings. Yeah, I really like this song. It's a good one. Assets. Hey, what's up, Klonoa? Welcome in, welcome in. Hope you're doing well. Like that. Okay, so we have the 3 main categories of trash: glass, plastic rings, and soggy newspaper. Perfect. Now when you catch the fish, you will roll between one of these three things and you will receive it. That's not what I wanted. That's what I wanted. Alt click me. Backspace. Then hit you with a... Go one to the left. Hit you with a comma. Yeah, look at that. Oh, we need to actually get rid of this too. We just say preload. But this has not gone well. There we go. Cool. We have 3 flavors of random trash. What is Godot? Godot is a game engine that you can use to make games. That's it. It's just a thing you can code in to make video games. Like this video game, the one where you fish nothing but trash. Look at this game. We're fishing trash. Oh, look. We caught a fish. Let's reel it in. Just kidding. It's glass. I love it. Cool. All right. Trash also gives like a resource. I'm just realizing, so we need to like update that too. But for now, we'll just have everything give you glass. Okay, next we need to update this to be able to give you what? We need to update like the UI to be able to select the correct like item that gets displayed. And then we need to mess with the textures here too to make sure everything lines up. But first, let's roll the thing you're actually catching. So we're gonna go here. On fish catch, we'll roll what you got. Very cool. Wish you good luck with your work. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Catch fish. Reset exclamation point play catch animation. We're gonna roll trash. So var trash equals roll trash. Actually, we don't need to do that. We just say trash resources dot pick random. Now we have our trash resource like that. Okay, and then this we're going to say trash dot what? Name? Name's not a very good way of doing that, obviously, because we're displaying the name, but it gives a resource. So we're going to say trash dot resource like that. Trash dot resource. Given resource, scrapped resource, trash resource is probably fine. Trash dot resource, which means that these need a resource. So here we're gonna say export var resource, which I think is okay to do. I think you're allowed to do that. For now, it's gonna be a string. Eventually, it'll be its own resource, but for now, it's gonna be a string. And I'm just gonna give them. I'm gonna say that they're all glass. So now, no matter what we catch, we will get the glass resource, which is fine for now, even though I don't think newspapers made out of glass unless like a crazy amount of regulation has been passed in like the fiber optics industry or something. Should be fine. Should be all right. Okay. What now? Now we need to update the UI so that it displays like the right piece of garbage. Yeah, update the UI to display the right piece of garbage. How do we do that? Let's start with the simplest version, which is display the... what? Display the... like the sprite, I guess, would be the easiest way to do it. First? Yeah. We also need to reformat the size of the sprite, because the size of the sprite is not consistent. Where does that sprite actually get set, though? Because here we're saying inventory.add. This doesn't actually interact with the UI, and I'm not being like very MVC about this. I'm gonna make a new thing in the canvas layer. I'm gonna say this. I'm gonna grab the UI. That's not by name, huh? That's interesting. UI like this. I'm gonna say UI. UI.update fish catch display, and we're gonna feed in the piece of trash. There we go. So now we need that function. Update fish catch display. That shouldn't be underscore access, by the way. It's not. I've copy and pasted one. Trash resource. Trash resource. There we go. Cool. All right, so we're going to go to our inventory or our fish catch display. we're going to need this bit here. So maybe we should pass it to the fish. Maybe this thing should have its own like script. Nah, it's a game jam game. We could just do it all here. Let me turn this on to look over. Okay. So the first thing we want to update is the text. So this is the label that we want to update. So this is going to be the fish and catch display label. That we can update the text to say you caught whatever the item name is. So let's go ahead and grab that in our script here. This sweet. How would you make animations from a cut sprite sheet? You just like an animation node? Yeah. No? Maybe I'm crazy. First we're gonna say this label text equals you caught. What does it say right now? Oh, it's capitalized. You caught plus trash resource name. Cool. Let's see if that works. Before we mess with anything else, let's make sure that all wires up correctly. Oh, it's on by default. That's not good. Hopefully now the first thing we catch won't be glass, and it'll say like you caught soggy newspaper. You caught plastic rings. It worked. Yeah. Sweet. Next we need to update the texture. There's gonna be two things to update here. One, the control that just like has the size of the actual object. Is this textured rect? Well, you think you're an Atlas texture, which is actually incorrect now. That's kind of funny. We're gonna load the assets. We're just gonna load the glass. But your scale is ×4, so we're gonna set the control fish catch display item control. It's a bit wordy, but fish catch display item sprite. Yeah. This should be item sprite control. Bit of a long variable name, but it's all right. All right, so I'll get in trouble. You won't. There you go. And then this, we're gonna set the control dot custom minimum height. So we need to say custom minimum size dot y is equal to the trash resource dot texture 2d dot. It's the rect of this thing, not the path. We need the rect. I think it's just size, no? It's get size dot y ×4. Oh, it's so simple. How could it not be? It couldn't be any more obvious. It's trash resource dot texture dot get size dot y ×4. Obviously. What did you think it was? And then finally we say fish catch item sprite equals trash resource dot texture. And this should be texture. Like that. Oh, all right, let's try it. Let's try it. You caught I know we didn't catch anything yet. We didn't catch glass yet. What are you talking about? Try it now. Come get my fish. Yeah. Click. You caught glass. Okay, that's unlucky. You caught a soggy newspaper. Look, and it has the thing correctly. Let's go. It did give us glass again. And look, this fish wants it. You caught plastic rings. 1, 2, 3. 6-year-old son is a great Nerf fire team. Eyes doors as well. What have you taught this child? Says he's gonna be doing Brazilian jiu-jitsu and kickboxing. Once he gets some weight on him, he'll be a great fighter. Sweet. How do you plan out your functions like that? What do you mean? What's wrong with this? It's so simple. It updates the catch display. What do you mean? It's my code, not your code. Get out of here. Ask for a code review. Yeah. Remember the rule. All code is bad. Okay. Now we can actually update the inventory to display the actual thing that you caught. So we have glass here, and that obviously updates the glass node, but oh, it looks good. How'd you? Oh, single responsibility. I don't know. No plan. Head empty. Cool. So we have like the item roll. Yeah. Update fish display. Yes. Done. Resource size inventory. Okay. Now we actually have to do our homework. It's time to. We made this bed. We gotta lie in it. Type shit. So we need to resource size all of the trash resources. Yeah. So we're gonna create a new thing. Well, we can't call it resource. That doesn't make any sense. Inventory resource? Recycled resource? A recycled resource. You see, it's a hidden message about the importance of recycling. It's definitely what I intended from the start. Recycled resource. Ah, yeah. Dude, I can play this song on the drums too. Aha! Script. Recycled resource. Like that. You don't live there. You live out here. Class name recycled resource extends source. Okay, you need what to make everything happen? You need a texture 2D, our good old friend the texture 2D. Export texture 2D. What else do you need? I think that's literally it for now. You don't really need a name yet. I mean, you might in the future, but you don't really need one right now. Bar texture equals texture. Texture 2D. Okay, let's start making these now. Create new. We're gonna create a new resource. It's gonna be the recycled resource. Dude, my shoulder hurts so bad from climbing. This will be glass recycles, unfortunately, into glass, so we're just gonna call it glass again. Texture, we're gonna load assets, items, glass inventory icon like that. Okay, perfect. We're gonna make another one. It's going to be, let's see. We're gonna be, what's the other ones that we have? What does the newspaper recycle into? It doesn't really recycle into, I guess it recycles into this. This is like wet paper. Soggy paper. Yeah, it's like paper mache. Yeah, soggy paper. Oops. I didn't mean to delete it from moosh. Yeah, it's a bit mooshy, for sure. Export as... We're gonna say assets. Items. No, this would be recycled items. Oh, I guess I already said I called it a resource. That's wrong. Assets. I'm gonna call it resources, recycled resources. That. This will be soggy paper. Chip it. And then in here, we can call it soggy paper. Resource, recycled resource, soggy paper. Turn your newspaper into paper with this one weird trick. Assets, recycled resources, soggy paper. Cool. And then we need last one for the plastic rings, which is going to be plastic. I think this is intended to be plastic, and this is supposed to be metal. I think so. I should have asked. Well, this is like rubber. Rubber's for the tire. I think this is plastic. Because plastic is kind of just like gray, mushy nothingness. So I think this works for plastic. Yes. These icons, we might want to have them be the same size, actually, now that I'm thinking about it. Yeah. Otherwise, the inventory... Well, it doesn't matter that much, I don't think. Inventory might look a little bit weird with all these not being the same sprite size, though. I don't actually know how it's going to work. Cube of plastic, yes. A good old cube of plastic. It'd be kind of funny to use like a Lego for this, but... Export as... Choose... Sets... Recycled resources, this is going to be plastic. Plastic. Okay. One more for me. Creates resource, recycled trash, plastic. Well, the paper could just be like, I could draw. Maybe I'm not fucking with this. I kind of want like an actual paper sprite. I could just draw one real quick. Yeah. What if we did like? Oops. Delete this. I'm gonna make a piece of paper real quick. How does a piece of paper look? It would probably just look like... Well, I don't want that quite as much. What if I want like... This? Maybe like something a little like a little bit like this guy, and then a little bit like this guy, and then you hit him with one of these. Oh yeah, well everyone loves one of these. Then you hit him with one of these. You hit it with this color, and then you're gonna say Probably axe that. No, that looked way better with it. Okay. I have a feeling this needs to be like shifted over by one. Yeah, that looks a little bit weird for some reason. Do I want it like this? Is that why it looks weird? No, that looks so much worse. That's the best looking one so far. And I think you want like this. Or like this. That looks like paper to me, dude. I don't know. I mean, I don't want to sound like I'm not a professional or anything, but that's some pretty paper looking paper. A little bit like this. Give it some flair. Maybe. Even got like. It's still got some newspapery bits on it, you know? That looks like paper to me, brother. I don't know. Dang. 6-year-old son and I are watching your stream. Has been coming up with his own trash game ideas. Making a game called Pushing Kids Off Bikes and maybe some farming. Well, the farming part sounds nice. Like this. That's too much. It's too much. It's too many slices. Like that. Yeah. Don't hate me, Jago. Sorry for hijacking some of your art. I like that better for the paper. We're gonna call this paper. We're just gonna call it paper. Like that. Yeah. Okay. And here we're gonna rename this to just paper. Like that. And then we're gonna change this sprite here to just paper. Assets, item, recycled resources, paper. Like that. Cool. And then the plastic one should be good to go. Doesn't exist yet. Fair enough. Assets, recycled resources, plastic, like that. Okay, cool. Now, this can be changed. So this shouldn't be like this anymore. Well, it needs like a key for the name of the recycled resource though. So this is actually going to be for each resource in the resource list. It'll initialize to its name. How do you make the resource like global though? I don't know. I don't really feel like finding out, to be honest. It's fine. They can just have their. We can map it here. It's not that big of a deal. This will be var recycled resources. All this because of a trash fishing game? Hey, maybe it's all about the ecology of the situation. We're cleaning up the lakes. We're actually the good guys if you think about it. Yes. Okay. There's a on ready var, so we're gonna do it here actually. Function ready, go. We're gonna say for recycled resource in recycled resources. Like this, we're gonna say inventory dot what? It'll be recycled resource dot name equals 0. Like that. So these actually need a name then. So we're gonna go to the trash recycled resources. We're gonna add something here. Export var. We're gonna say name is a string like that. And now we just need to go through and name all this. This is glass. This is paper. And this is plastic. Nice. I kind of like the idea of the plastic just being one of the plastic rings, but I'm overthinking it. Cool, so now we have all of this. We should probably also have the actual resources. Yeah, we could do that. Well, no, because we only need to load the sprite once, so that's actually kind of overkill, I think. We're gonna set it here though, so that it sets up the UI on spawn. But I'm just gonna put everything in the top UI class because I don't really care, you know, it's fun. Oops, not like that, please. Stop it. Yeah. UI like this, we're gonna go like this, recycled resources here. On the ready, we're gonna say setup UI. Set up inventory like this. And here we can put all the garbage that we need to actually set up the inventory. Funk instead of inventory. For inventory, or for recycled resource in recycled resources, we're going to create whatever this is, this like inventory container. We're going to set this, and we're going to set this. We're going to set the label to be 0. So we need to prefab this, actually. So we're going to rename this to inventory item container. We're going to prefab it. Go to save as scene. An inventory container like this. We're going to delete this. And now we can, just to make sure I'm not going crazy, if I put this here, like this. Oh, you think you're the scene? Wait, what? What have I done? No, you're the scene. Yeah. If I copy and paste this in, if I change the sprite on you, so I'm gonna say make local, you have this texture, but if I were to say by chance load in recycled resources, the paper, for example, it does work. Okay, it works. Cool. I just wanted to check. Inventory item container. We need a reference to this. We need the inventory item display. We don't have this anywhere. This doesn't actually exist. We need the prefab now for the inventory item display. Ah. So for this, we're going to say new inventory item display equals this dot instantiate. And now we can set the texture on this thing. So new, we're going to do, actually, we're going to say this dot set texture recycled resource dot texture. You hate that, huh? You hate me for that? Recycled resource. That should all work. Okay. And this should be inventory item container. And it's going to yell at me for now because this doesn't actually have a script yet. So we're going to go here, attach a script like this. Say class name inventory item container. And then we need to make simply one function that lets us set the texture. Go here. Why do you have a script? You don't have a script, okay. So we're going to make this now. We're going to say set texture. Function set texture. Recycled resource texture like this is a texture. That's a text edit direction. Not quite what I'm looking for, but I appreciate you playing. Texture 2D like this. Oops. How did I even do that? This is your texture direct like this. So we're simply going to say texture direct dot texture equals recycle. Yeah. You feel me. You get me. We need to add you to scene first, otherwise you don't exist before I do this. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. We need a reference to the inventory item display here, which we have right here if you look. We're going to pass on this for now, otherwise the game won't run. Dot add child new inventory item display. Now this should set up our inventory to have all three of the resources. And it does! Look at that, dude! We have glass, paper, and plastic. Let's go. Now nothing updates, but that's okay. For now, all we have to do left is update inventory display. Here, what we need to do is whatever the... We need to loop through... Oh, shit. We need to loop through the items from the inventory. So what did this used to say? It's too late. Update inventory display. This should pass self, by the way. Dot emit self. So it should emit. Well, it should emit the inventory. Emit inventory. Yeah. Okay, so now we have the inventory. So we're gonna say this then needs to actually be tied to some data structure. So we're gonna have the references here. To do combine into one dict. This is going to be var recycled resource name to recycled resource. Like this. So what we should do is this. We should delete this. We should go to these guys, grab them all with their proper names. And we're gonna say this. Glass.name goes to glass. Paper.name goes to paper. Plastic, nope, that's paper again. Plastic.name goes to, it's gonna blow your mind, but it's gonna go to plastic. I know. And then we're gonna go for this dot keys? Values. Yeah, values. Yeah, okay. And now, when we update, shit, this doesn't work. Fuck. We need to reference the actual node, not this. Damn it. I didn't think about this. Okay, well, that doesn't work. Turn back the clocks. Take me back. Unfortunately, this does not do what I want it to do. Yeah. This is gonna just equal this. This is gonna be recycled resource name to inventory display control, like that instead. Now, when we do this, we're gonna say this. Recycled resource dot name is going to equal the new display. So we're going to take this equals new inventory item display. Oh wow, it's very indented. Okay, on the update, we're going to say for recycled resource in recycled resources. Or I guess it's not quite that because it's in the inventory. So it should be for recycled resource in item in inventory.values. How does the inventory setup like? It's not set up at all. Oh no, it is. It's name maps to value. Okay. Oh, name maps to value, huh? So in the inventory we just have the names as the keys. Okay, I can work with that. So this is going to be keys. This will be recycled resource name. And we're going to say that we're going to set amount. So we're going to say recycled resource name to the display control. We're going to put in the name, meaning that we now have the display. We're going to say set amount equals inventory. And then we're going to just use the name again, recycled resource name. Recycled resource. And actually, this is going to be a set. So we're going to do it like this. Set amount. There we go. And now all we need to do is make the set amount function in this. So we're going to say function set amount, new amount is an int. We're going to take our label here. We're going to say label.text equals int new amount. There you go. A little bit inefficient because it means that every time you beat everything in the game updates, but it makes it easier for doing a lot. Oh, it's broken. Oh, I meant to say string. I bet. Okay, so now we should be able to catch a fish. So the fish comes up, we go to catch it, we click, caught glass goes up by 1. Okay, I need a new fish. Okay, yeah, welcome to the party. You caught glass again, it's a bit of a shame. I need a new thing. It's we're feeling very glassy today. If you're glass, I swear to fucking God. Oh. Try again. Moonwalking fish, surely you're not glass. Plastic rings! Glass went up by 1, fuck. Oh, I didn't set the resources on these. Right. This is no longer going to be resources, it's going to be recycled resource. And this will be a recycled resource like this. And now things get a little bit strange because that means the trash is going to have a recycled resource on it. And I think I can quick load these. I can! Okay, glass gives glass, obviously. Plastic rings, that's going to go ahead and give... Nope, that's not what I want at all. It's going to give plastic. Soggy newspaper is going to give quick load. It's going to give paper. There we go. Now in the player, is this works, right? It's not Tress. I think this preloads, but I'm not 100% sure. It might. Might not work. Also, sorry, Yavo, I saw your comment like 10 seconds ago, or a minute ago, and I didn't respond to it. The idea that your trash fishing game saves a turtle from the plastic Daiso bag chasing it. I do love me a good plastic bag. I am from the Midwest. I'm kind of sad I don't get any from my local grocery store. I always have to bring my tote bag. Ugh. Look at me recycling bags. That sucks. Give me my plastic bags back. What happens when there's a plastic bag shortage? I'm gonna look like a fool that I don't have 100 under my like cabinet or whatever. Fuck, man. Ah. Also ads again on Twitch side, sorry. Okay, so this is all working. The thing is the amount isn't gonna be correct yet because if we go to the player, trash, this is gonna be recycled resource. Add to inventory the item. This is not the item anymore. This is going to be a recycled resource. Recycled resource. This is going to be item, not item name. It's going to be item, or I guess recycled resource. Recycled resource. Then we can say this dot name. And I think that should work if I hook it all together in that way. Grab the bobber. Yeah. Come to the bobber. Soggy newspaper gives you paper. Yeah, dude. Yeah. Here's another fish. He also gives us paper. Here's a moonwalking fish. Plastic. Look at this. Look at these inventory numbers. Dude, it's fucking working. More glass. Thank you. Actually, you just said that your kid is watching, so maybe I shouldn't be swearing. Glass. But it's legit. It's legit just like working though. It's like working, dude. Plastic rings, hell yeah. This still breaks when the game closes, I have no idea why. Okay. Everything is working in the game. You can catch trash. So what's next in our trash fishing adventure? I don't know. Let me check the checklist. Resources, inventory, done. Update inventory control to use item resources, done. Roll on catch, done. Next is the shop. Of course, we need a place for you to spend all of your random garbage. Recycled garbage. Random recycled garbage. Is this like an idle game? Maybe. Not sure. I suppose, sort of. You know what would be cool, actually, is if you could like build nets that catch fish for you, so like the number could go up exponentially. That'd be kind of sick, actually. That might be overscoped for a silly little game that I'm making based on one YouTube comment, but I think that would actually might be. No reason I don't have to read all my nonsense comments. I'm just walking my talk. Like I'm learning about how to make an inventory system. Thank you. Stop stroking my ego. You're not. It's rule 1 around here. I'm a Marine, so I curse. He knows better than to copy me, just like he also knows not to drive my car. Dude, driving when you're like 8 years old, it's gotta be fun as fuck. I mean, you probably can't like see over the dashboard and reach the pedals at the same time, but like, it kind of loses its magic by the time you turn like, I don't know, 25. Then it's just like a thing you have to do. But when you're like 14, driving a car has gotta go crazy, dude. Sell the trash and buy shit. That's kind of the idea, yeah. You're gonna like upgrade your fishing rod and stuff. What did we have for the actual upgrades? I don't remember now. Excalibur. Right. We had... we just had like rod upgrades, bait upgrades, and recycling upgrades. I think this game low-key has legs, though. I'm actually having a really good time with it. Kind of fun. Cool, alright. Yeah, we can do rod upgrades, bait upgrades, recycling upgrades. That's all shop stuff. That being said, I feel like this is a really good place to like stop for the day. I don't really want to work on the inventory stuff quite yet. We can save that for the next stream, I think. Because we're just going to do like 5 buttons. We're just making the simplest version of this game. Game actually has a lot of potential. I fear that you might be correct. And that kind of makes me mad. It was supposed to be it was supposed to literally just be a game for content. And now it turns out it's actually fun. My life is so hard. I've accidentally made a good game with someone else's idea. Fuck. Boop. Nice, dude. I can't believe it's working. Also, we can expand out like the fish and everything really easily because it doesn't take much to expand on this, I think. You just add more resources and then it's like basically already done. My daughter and I also pilots. Yo, roller coasters have lost their magic. Take my 6-year-old friends for a flight to make them freak out as a blast. Dude, I love roller coasters so much. I will say the first time I ever went to like Cedar Point, the first time I went to Cedar Point, my dad was like, okay, we'll do what we did with your sister. We'll start with the smallest roller coasters, and if you're feeling up to it, by the end of the day, we can do the big roller coasters. And I, with only one thought in my brain, which was don't be like my sister, arrived to Cedar Point, found the biggest roller coaster that was there, Millennium Force. The biggest, tallest roller coaster that I could find. I pointed to it, and I said, I want to ride that one. This is what it looks like. This is Millennium Force. So, this thing is massive. Like, you can't, like, this is the coaster. You literally can't even see the people. So, what happens is we get in line, and there's like a 30-minute wait, and I'm starting to get a little nervous as I'm seeing the roller coaster and hearing the roller coaster. I have never been on a roller coaster before in my life. Okay, we're waiting. Okay, we wait long enough that like we're inside the building where you get on the roller coaster. Okay. My dad goes, okay, I'll sit with you. Your sister can sit behind us because she's like an expert on roller coaster. I'll sit with you to make sure you're okay, which is a bold statement because we're on a giant metal tube, basically. What the fuck is he gonna do? Oh, you're not feeling well? Let me stop the roller coaster till you calm down. But whatever, it's the thought that counts or whatever. Okay, so we get in the roller coaster. They put the seat belt, like the seat thing down. They put the seat belt on, right? Okay. All right. And then they give the all clear. And my heart is like racing at this point. Like that shit is pumping out of my chest because the roller coasters are big and scary, right? Okay. The chain lift comes down, starts going like, right? Hooks onto the train. Train starts moving. We're locked the fuck in now. There's nothing to be done. We're going up the hill, like going up the hill. My dad turns to me, and I'll never forget this. He turns to me and he goes, "You sure you want to do this, buddy? The fuck are we going? Could you bring a parachute? We're going to jump out of the." Listen, man, I would have appreciated that conversation 5 to 10 minutes ago, but like, we're fucking dead, man. Like, there's nothing we can do. And then we got to the top, and it was extremely fun. And I love roller coasters; it's so good. But follow-up story. Later, I go to a theme park with one of my friends, and he's terrified of roller coasters. And I now, wearing my badge of having been to Cedar Point and being good at roller coasters, I'm talking to him. I'm like, brother, it's not a big deal. You'll have a great time. Roller coasters are so safe. Literally nothing ever happens on a roller coaster. You're fine. And he's like, okay. And it's a smaller roller coaster than this. It's just like a tiny little baby one, like it's called Michigan Adventures. It's a tiny little roller coaster park, right? Okay. Same thing. We're in line for the roller coaster. He's having like a breakdown. And I'm patting him on the back like, don't worry, man. I've been on tons of roller coasters. I love them. They're so fun. You have nothing to worry about. They're super safe. We get in the roller coaster. We sit down. Seatbelt first, obviously. Then when you put the bar down, right? You put the bar down so you don't fly out of the roller coaster. Okay. Same thing. Chain lift comes down. I'm even telling him the previous story while we're like waiting in line. Like, it was so funny. My dad was like, don't freak out about roller coaster or whatever, right? Okay. We get in. They give the all clear. They thumbs up. They're like, are you guys ready to have a good time? Because it's a casual roller park or whatever. And they want everyone. It's just like for kids or whatever. We're like, yeah, woo! And my friend's still freaking the fuck out. We start going up the chain lift. And I'm like letting him like hold my arm because he's just not having a good time. And I give him I'm like, you hold my arm. Everything's going to be fine. Again, super safe, right? Okay. Halfway up the chain hill, the seatbelt that you have on the roller coaster, like, let me see if I can find this. Roller coaster seatbelt? It's like the bar. Yeah. Okay. You know this thing on a roller coaster? You know this? We're halfway up the chain hill. Guess what just unlocks and goes flying up from the chair? Oh, it would be my seat harness. Now, my friend who had been keeping it pretty well together for the past 20 to 25 minutes on the verge of a panic attack, this was what I would say would be like not a good incidence for him to have had that happen. I think he died. I think his soul left his body. And honestly, a little bit like kind of also mine too, because I went from like roller coasters are so safe, you're totally fine, to like, oh, okay, my life is in my hands now. So I grabbed like the front of the bar of the roller coaster and just fucking white knuckle held onto that shit for the whole time. And I didn't die. I didn't fly out of the roller coaster. I stayed in the roller coaster just based on my own sheer will and strength the whole time. So that's nice. Didn't die. That's pretty good. Pull into the station and I let the people know like, hey, this whole thing didn't really work for me. Not great. And so they go, oh my God, like, are you okay? I'm like, yeah, I'm not dead. That's probably a good sign. They apologize profusely. They like decommission that, they like scuttle the like roller coaster train, basically like put it on a separate track and like removes from the track. Then they go like, do you want like free admission to the park because the roller coaster failed? And I was like, kind of like props to the audacity, but no, I don't think I'll be returning my business here, seeing as how I almost just died. But I appreciate the offer, I guess. It was so scary, dude. Holy shit. Because one playing with their kids and their friend once went from 8K feet to 2K feet faster than you could blink. That's pretty fast. Kids' friends saw their light flash for their eyes falling. Everyone else laughed. I mean, you could pull out of the stall. At 2K is like kind of pushing it, but I'm not a pilot, so I don't know what I'm talking about. All I know is that in Wii Plane Adventure or whatever it's called, or Wii Sports Adventure, you can pull out of a free fall pretty easily. You just got to restart the propeller or whatever. And I'm pretty sure that's 1-to-1 with real life. Yeah. Never trust a roller coaster. It's hard for me to say trust a roller coaster after one of them almost killed me. Wait, that's not great. Yeah. Flying without doors is awesome. I mean, it is like how you skydive, to be fair. I've also gone skydiving. Skydiving's super fun. Highly recommend it. That being said, you're so high up. I was trying to explain this to my friend who's like, really, he's like, I can't go skydiving. I'm afraid of heights. I have to explain, like, you're so high up when you skydive, the floor doesn't even look real. Like, it's really easy to jump out of the plane because it literally just looks like a picture down there. Like, you can't. It's so high up. You like, it doesn't even register how high up you are, if that makes sense. Like, it doesn't click. It's super strange. So kind of hard to explain too, but you should go skydiving. It's very fun. Yeah. Yeah. Anyone want to play an ARAM? I don't really want to do any more dev today. I think I'm good. I think I'm going to leave the inventory for next stream. Anyone do a Mayhem ARAM? Going once, going twice. I don't know what else to do. I'm having a good time. Just hanging out and chatting. We do one. One as like a quick break. It's not going to be a quick break. Oh, wait, I only have... Oh, never mind. Yeah, let's do one. Let's just do one real quick. End the stream with it. Why not? Hang out and chat while I'm playing too. Right. That's my username. I'm going to not type my password on the screen just in case it explodes or something. I always do the username of like the institution. Hey, Viridian, do you want it? Oh, we're on a different server. I did programming today, so I'm going to reward myself with an ARAM. On a reasonable hour? I know, right? Look at this fishing game, Viridian. Look. Look, you can catch trash. You reel it in, you caught glass, and it adds to your inventory. Isn't that insane? The fish sometimes moonwalk. That's just, it is what it is. I keep catching glass. Yeah. Yeah, cold plastic rings, dude. Yeah. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. Oh, now I'm doing an ARAM. You voted today? I'm so proud of you. Hell yeah. Let's not talk about my voting situation on the last election, okay? I'm so mad I didn't vote. I got fucked, dude. Get a new PC, so I'm gonna just chill for now. Sweet. Congrats on the new PC. Should I keep the music going? Probably. Yeah, probably. I'm gonna turn it down a little bit though. A bit loud for me. Yeah. But yeah, I'm the party doesn't win again. Well, if the entire global shift to the right that's happening is any indication, it's probably fine. I have seen. So, we got a new PM here in Japan, and currently, Large Orange Man is visiting Japan. And look, I don't like far right extremists. She isn't one. She's just like far right. Well, she's not even far. She's just right. She's just conservative. This is not that big of a deal. But I got to admit, our PM knows how to like schmooze. Holy shit. I'm pretty sure like when Big Orange Man was here, he got served like a steak in Japan, which like, what the fuck are we doing with that, huh? But afterward, he said one word in Japanese and she was like, fucking, I mean, well done. And everyone like cheered behind him. I'm like, what the fuck? What is happening right now? I went on a landslide last year, then proceeded to crash out and get nothing done and blamed everyone under the sun before exploding their coalition. Oh. Well, you know, strangely, that's fairly consistent as well. All things considered. One chill ARAM game to end it all. I'd invite people, but I don't think anyone else here plays on NA. I shouldn't even be playing on NA. I should be playing on JP right now. I'm not, for some reason. Essentially had no government for a year. I think I'd take no government over what we got going on right now. Given the alternative. Brady, I'm curious about something. Is this time... Wait, okay, how do I phrase this? Because I started stream today at 6 p.m. my time, which was 2 hours ago. My assumption is that 2 hours ago is basically the worst time to start a stream. Google's Witch Cap. Holy shit, 250 attack range. I'm gonna take that. Need to work on my Japanese. I think that playing games in Japanese is the greatest way to learn Japanese. Or doing something you enjoy in Japanese is the best way to learn Japanese. It used to not be, but now with like AI translation tools and stuff, you can literally type the whole sentence in and it'll tell you what each word means. And then you can like individually look up each word. But it can do like grammar and stuff now, which is... Morning EU 2 hours ago. So it sounds like the actual optimum time for me to start is like now. Which means I should run before stream, not after. It's good to know. Also, I just realized I'm still in the wrong category on Twitch, but it's fine. Kill him! Yeah. Oh, he's alive! He lived that! And now I'm dead! This sucks. This game sucks. This is the worst game I've ever made. And now my teammate's dead, not me. Okay, chilling. 6 p.m. EU time? That doesn't work. That's going to be like 4 a.m. for me, which I can't do at the moment. Maybe in the future at some point I can, but I can't do that right now. You thought you could... He can kill me. In Florida, it's before work time in the morning. So it sounds like I picked literally the worst time to start. That's interesting. I almost literally couldn't have picked a worse time, huh? It's so hard to figure out when to stream in Japan, dude. Oh shit, my stomach hurts real bad all of a sudden. That sucks. I'm supposed to go running after stream. Can't, but something feels like that. Jesus Christ. Pins and needles, brother. Die! Yay! I should be building lethality. What am I doing? Lethality's gotta be the play on this one, I think. My keystone? Oh, I have like a million range. Actually, on hit's probably better than if I have so much range. Dodged my shit. No, the stacks wore off, man. That's tragic. Fuck. Okay. Nice. Only place you're disregarding is Asia. Yeah, but like most of those, I mean, like, I do get a lot of, like, if I look at my YouTube statistics, I have a lot of people from like the Philippines, which is great. Love that for me. But most of the people around this time, unless it's Australia or the Philippines, like they don't really usually speak English, I don't think. Oh shit, I'm cooked. I'm so dead. You lose, I'm playing League next week? Okay, so this is clearly the best time to do it because literally everyone's showing up right now. So it sounds like it's like 8 p.m. or like 7 p.m. to like 10. So an hour ago till like 2 hours from now, it sounds like is the best time. So I should run after work. The only thing I lose then is... I'm not going to say it out loud. 12 p.m. E right now? Okay, so everyone's like, okay. So I should start stream around this time. Okay, we're figuring it out. We're getting there. Edge. Predicted the shit out of the Azir. I'm gonna get you. Okay, he's dead. I can outrange the Fiddlesticks. Like, entire drain. I didn't know that. So hard to hit people 200 ping. Ah! Oh no. I'm gonna get him. I'm gonna get you. I'm not gonna get you at all. I'm gonna get got, dude. I'm dead. I was watching YouTube till I saw you on the sidebar and was like, is YouTube bugged? I don't know if I wanted to watch stream and lecture, but I didn't. Okay, okay. Before work time is when people start their day. That's when I consume the most amount of media. I don't know if that's like terribly consistent. I'm curious. So Yavo, what would you be doing in like an hour? Reward myself by eating when I do something good? That sounds... So long as it's... That could go good or bad. No. Holy shit, more attack range. I mean, we gotta. I'm the most ranged Varus of all time. My attack range, right? 825 attack range? What the fuck? I feel like an RFC. My attack range is gonna outrange my Q soon. I've never seen this before. Playing League of Legends? I know, I'm sorry. It's a little break. I got a lot of work done on the game today, so I'm giving myself a little reward. It's like a reward. Die! I missed, dude. I couldn't get the range for it. No. Alright. Double kill. Line it up for me. Thank you. That's not good. That's bad. I probably should have tanked one of those. I don't know. I need to flash this hook. He doesn't have it. Question mark? I need to flash this hook. Mal's eat it. Yeah, thanks, bud. 160 MS. What's your ping on EU? It's probably better than this. I have to imagine because I'm literally. 160 might be the worst you can get because I'm literally crossing the entire world. This has more please touch grass vibes than being a VTuber. I might not be a VTuber. Well, I'm gonna be a VTuber still, but I might start showing my face on stream. I kind of miss it. I feel like I can be like a more emotive when I tell stories and stuff. I kind of miss having my face on here. Tragic. Boink. Nope. None for me. Okay. I'm dead. I didn't get an assist, bro. He died instantly. Why did I like Q for? I'm confused. That worked. It's fine. All planned. So you're just gonna be a guy now? The worst mistake of my life. Part of it's also the lighting. Like the times you've actually slowed your face. I think it's cool to have both. Honestly, I think it's a cool mix. Because my fit kind of goes crazy too. I'm not gonna lie. I have black pants, a purple hoodie, and then a black, I'm dead! A black beanie on, and a black shirt under the hoodie, but the sleeves are pulled up, so the black shirt is like, it's like very layered. It's also very Halloween-y. I don't know when I got so into like styling stuff, but I fucking love like putting a fit on, dude. It's so fun. It feels good to just like be. When I hear beanie, I think of Tim Pool. No. I'm not like that. Yo, Nympheus, yo! What's up? Don't look, I'm playing League of Legends. Also, what's up? Oh, aren't you in Mesaka stream right now? I mean, to be fair, I think I'm also still in Mesaka stream right now. I don't know if I turned it off before stream. I don't have it like playing, I guess, at the moment. Double kill. Pentakill, baby. Pentakill, baby. Give it to me. No. Triple the pentakill. They hate me. Don't look though. For people that are used to me making here. Okay, well now while we're attacking tower. Okay, we get some game dev done. Okay, yeah, just boot it up. Okay, we got the fishing. Okay, so I'm gonna edit. Okay, back to League of Legends real quick. Just double it. Okay, we're gonna do a team fight real quick. Yeah. Okay, so like we're gonna be making the inventory item or inventory next in the game. Okay, let me not die to the tower. So the way we're gonna do that, we're gonna add some controls. Okay, get this kill real quick. Get this kill. Oh fuck. Okay, now we can go back to the game to make some control. Okay, so here we're gonna add a new control here. This is gonna be the inventory or the shop here. So we're gonna add a new control like this. We're gonna call it the shop display. And then in here we're gonna have some like other controls that we need to use. So could you imagine? Move speed equal to your haste. I don't have any haste. Wow, that's awful. I go crazy on the poke. Your snowball does true damage? I didn't know that actually. W gains 100 ability haste. That does nothing for me. 25% crit chance seems pretty fucking good. Despite all of the other stuff. I didn't read the other stuff. What if you make a game in League of Legends? I mean, people used to do that all the time. Like, there were game modes in League of Legends for a while. That's like kind of where ARAM started, actually. I'm like thinking that all of my attacks have crazy range. They don't. It's just my Q and E. Or it's just my auto attacks. My Q and E don't get affected. How much true damage does it do? Just 70 true damage. Alright, you had me thinking it was like a tactical nuke or something. Whoa, I got outplayed. I mean, I was kind of cooked anyways, but do I need a QSS for that guy if he's going to fear me? I mean, I don't really know what bush he should be able to surprise me out of, to be fair. I think BT is probably good, though. I probably want to go Terminus, though. I kind of don't fuck with this item. I know people say it's really good, but I just don't feel it sometimes. Probably good here. It's only 35. I want a Wits End, dude. I want a Wits End. Think Wits End better? Did I win yet? I think we're going to win, but I'm not sure. Can we make a sick Pomodoro timer? Wait, the fishing game? I mean, possibly. They're fishing game into a Pomodoro timer? I'm running into the unfortunate thing again where as we're making the game, I'm realizing that it might actually be like a game that's fun, which is, it's like the most tragic thing that can happen to me. Because it's supposed to be like a dumb game for content, and then turns out it might actually be like a really good idea, and it's like a fun idle game, which is tragic. Because it means I kind of want to like spend more time making it, even though I have other content ideas I want to pursue. I've got the make a game in just 100 lines of code. That's a good one. Not even close to Gambit. I mean, obviously Gambit is my magnum opus. But I think the next content idea is make a game in 100 lines of code. I think I'm pretty excited about that one. Never forget what's on the line. I could never. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get your toes. I didn't get him. An RFC. Oh, my Sedge got him though. Alright, well he flashed. It wasn't gonna hit anyways. Ban on the 24 hours game? I think so, because it was like too committal, and I don't think the premise was that great. Also, Silksong's kind of not as relevant as it used to be. I was doing it to try to like ride the wave of Silksong stuff. I don't think that was a proper strategy. I don't know. Maybe it was, and I'm not thinking about it correctly. Not sure. I should have said like 12 hours, and also like it needs to have like I can't just use random sprites for that one. It needs to be more focused and have like bugs and stuff. I'm super dead, I think. Oh, he doesn't want the smoke. Okay. Just Scion is so massive. And now I'm probably dead though, right? Oh, yeah, get him. I'm the worst. I'm the worst to ever play League of Legends. How did I miss, man? Yeah, it started as 12 hours and then I switched it to... I'm cooked. I switched it to 24. Oh, maybe I'm not cooked. Ah, I 8-clicked. I didn't 8-click. Ah, whatever. In for a penny. Yeah. Just burst out. Damn, my kiting is not as good as it used to be, huh? I think I do want a Wit's End because their entire team is like AP, no? Except Jhin, I guess. Yeah. I think I go BT. No, I already have one lifesteal. I don't need a second lifesteal item. I'm gonna go... It might actually be Terminus. I feel like it's RFC for the meme, though. Get another 35% attack range on how much attack range? 825. That's a little absurd. So I pirated it because I was kind of broke. I legitimately think Team Cherry does not care. They just want people to play their game, which is awesome. Only freaks care about pirate. How have you not stunned anyone else in that duration? That's an insane thing to have done. No, 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 no. I don't want it. I don't want it. Thank you, Malzahar. I love you. You're my dad now. Let me lifesteal, brother. Let me lifesteal. Oh my god, the lifesteal is like anemic on this map. I can ult him. Stand still. Alright, well, he got me. I don't actually need the full Q. I can like let that shit rip at 3 stacks. I don't need to like charge it up. The W I obviously still need, but... Fiddlesticks is ulting. Yeah, yerp. Fuck, I just missed it. I missed everything, dude. Oh no, oh no, oh no. Buy a Void Staff? Why Void Staff? I mean, that's pretty good here, I think. I don't think I can get to 4.0 attack speed, but a flat 20% is pretty good. I don't know, maybe. No, 2.58. Tanks? But I don't do that much magic damage. I'm mostly an on-hit guy. Killing any 20% attack speed? Champion takedown gives 50%. There's a chance. Not sure. 15%. Well, I guess with the stacking attack speed too, it's theoretically possible. Does percent magic damage? Yeah, but I don't have that much like AP boosting. I don't think Void would do that much. I already shred tanks with Orc. Ooh, nice shot. If you fear me again, I swear to God. I was like, there ain't no shot you still have it again. Kill the turret. Holy shit, my attack speed. Yo, I might actually hit the 4.0. I'm at 3.3 right now. Base damage is already 15%. True. I think extra attack speed's gonna be better here. Just like come back for like just a second. Just like 1 second. He's so small. Must have been the wind. Take care. Hey, take it easy. Thanks for stopping by. Don't. You don't want me. You don't want it. I don't want any part of you. You don't want any part of me. I just need to play not like a dumb little idiot. I need to play like an AD carry. Be in the back, be nice and safe, dodging stuff. I let my Scion be the front. I'm not the front man. Okay, he kind of whiffed, but that's alright. About the principle of that. Oh, we're so cooked. Stop fearing me, you bastard. Oh my god, man. Go full AP now to destroy their tanks. I already do, I have Bork. I should get a Last Whisper though. This is not right. I need a Last Whisper. I should have had one of these years ago. Saving health for next game. There was nobody to ult. You mean to ult to zone used Fiddlesticks? What if I need an next game? Blade Wall. No, this was a not getting this was a mistake. Well, they don't really have, well, they have some armor. The Nautilus has armor. If the game I left let me be inside of a wall. Okay, now we win. Now we win. Watch this. It's so easy, actually. It's actually easy. See, we never didn't have it. He's dead. Kill everything. Look at my attack speed. 3.3. We're close. We're close. Fiddle took 5 business days to Zanya's. My apologies for thinking he was a good player. You know what? That is my fault. That is on me. I assumed good things from my opponents when I should have assumed what we all knew to be true, and that they are garbage and I am God. I forgot. Is that real, brother? Oh, you are in there. Holy. Oh, he got me. Oh, he popped out over here. That sucks. We might be dead. We might be dead. We might be donezo. Yeah, what's up, Pyro? Don't end. Don't end. You don't want to end. You don't know how. You've never learned how to end. It's mortal. It's a mortal reminder game. I have a bunch of hats now. That's cool. When do the minions get there? In about 10 seconds. When am I up? 18 seconds. Oh no, I don't feel good. Oh, I don't feel good. They don't know. They don't see it. They don't see it. They don't see the angle. They don't see the angle. Full AP would have shred here. I don't think it would have shred any more than on hit, surely. On hit's like the most shreddy of them all, I think. Kind of a non-believer in AP Varus, to be honest. It's also way flakier because you actually have to connect with the abilities. It's hard enough as is. Oh, that's huge. Now, Zhonya's actually would have gone crazy this game, though, now that I think about it. I could have just bought a Zhonya's, actually. They have 2 mega tanks. It doesn't scale that well, I promise. I think I should have done lethality, to be honest. It doesn't. I know it's 100%. It's 100% of the flat damage. The shred doesn't scale that well. The shred doesn't scale it. I'm gonna point to the graph. I know the W scale, but it doesn't scale that well. AP Varus isn't real. I did 54,000 damage that game. I was fucking pumping. No, it doesn't scale as good as the on-hit one. On-hit Varus does like 8% just per hitting them. It's awesome. They just beat you. It's mayhem ARAM. Nothing's real. Nothing's real. It's not a real. This isn't a real game mode. This is the silly game mode. I'm playing one more. My break is lasting forever. You can't stop me. I'm in charge here, not you. Eh. Go hybrid. I think Zhonya's was definitely correct. Fox. I could run it back. Yo, Kaisa though? Kale? You don't pick Kale? You gotta pick Kale. Are you kidding me? Kale's the most like bullshit champion in this whole game mode, no? I can even play Viridian Kale. Look at that. Can I? I don't think I have RP. Oh, I do have enough. I could be you. Viridian the Kale. I think Kale's OP. I'm sort of doubting it now a little bit. I mean, everyone gets to level 18, right? So then Kale's like a unkillable god? Probably. I like that switch. Man, our team comp is non-existent. That could be problematic. I do think I want to turn this into an idle game, low key, where you start by fishing and then you can get a net and the net catches fish as they like swim under the boat or something, and that gives you more stuff, and then you upgrade your thing, then you buy the thing upgrader thing. You get it. Play on-hit cooldowns affects 1 second cooldown per target. Your abilities do. Your Q gains haste is interesting. Infinity Edge? Oh, I'm not buying Infinity Edge. Crit chance is like Okay. Reset your basic abilities on takedowns. Kind of interesting. I don't think my Q haste is anything real. 12% lifesteal? And it's not Omnivamp though. I think it's probably this. 10% below 30% is not the end of the world, I guess. I don't 100% know how to build Kale. Really, you build Bork on Kale? That seems wrong. I thought it was like Nashor's Tooth, no? Am I silly? Isn't Kale... I don't think Kale builds a Bork. On hit to the core? So she does build Bork? Do you first item it? What do you first item on Kale? Kill her. Damn, that Q range is insane. I did not realize. I love that the E gets one. You get one attack that's ranged. So abysmal. Matchup dependent. Bork is a good first item power spike. Okay. And this champ is not good, level 1. When do I get the upgrade? Become permanently exalted. Attack range is increased to 625. Okay, so it's literally at level 16, huh? Jesus Christ. This champion's the epitome of be careful who you call ugly in elementary school, middle school, high school, undergrad, master's degree, PhD, and then like postdoctorate, huh? Why don't you play some Voltex on stream? I do occasionally. I don't know when my next Volty stream will be. Good question. Bonk. I'll heal you. 28 because of the healing nerve. Never mind. I won't heal you then. It's fine. We're probably not good here. Maybe they squishy. Just go Nash's first. Okay, cool. Occasionally being the generational integer flip. Been a while. It's definitely been a minute since I played it on stream. I haven't really played Voltex much, like in general though. So I don't feel like I have anything to like show off right now. I want to play it more. I just don't really have the time for it. I'd have to give something else up, either more stream time or editing time or like workout time, and I don't really want to give any of that up right now. So no Voltex at the moment, but if I ever get more free time, like I would love to legitimately, and I'm not joking, I would put like 4 hours a day into that game if I could. Like if I was in college, my Voltex arc would have gone crazy. Dude, my champ is so fucking weak. Ole. I'm gonna get you. One attack, I'm gonna get you. I should just be healing people to get assist money, although the assist money is not very good on this. You wouldn't. You don't know how. You don't even know where the fucking button is. I'm so dead. Wait, watch this. I didn't even ult myself. I playing a little greedy. It's fine. You better clothes that make your stuff sell for more. I kind of like that, yeah. This opponent makes people no longer sleep actually existed. Dude, yeah. It's unfortunate that if I want to get better at some Voltex, I need to be sleeping like 9 hours a day. Then I have less time to do things like play some Voltex. It makes no sense, man. Oh my god! That man just got fucking paid. Nah, it doesn't work like that. You can't go back. Shut down, huh? Why am I still red right now? I think the upgrades on Kalich is level 11, causing it to explode. Measure first against heal 30% more. Oh, I just had the W on, I guess? No. What is my passive? Oh, yeah, Zealous. Okay. I can attack speed for attacking. That could have been bad. Oop, that could have been bad. Oh, that could have been bad. Man, this shit's got like no CD, huh? She's a genius. She knew my entire plan. She got me. Initial rework Kale goes so crazy. How did that work? I don't quite remember. Which one's first? Which one's first? I missed both. Oh my god. I'm gonna cry. Then definitely Rage Blade second, no? Shrink Ray, vulnerability. Gain hugely increased health regen, even at further increase at low health. That might go crazy on kill, I don't know. Your item and damage over time effects can critically strike. That seems insane. If it works the way I think it does. Gain fleet footwork? Yeah. Yeah, I'll take that, thank you. 11 was true damage. Oh. Range bonus is more range. Oh, shit. So I just have lethal tempo and fleet forward now? Oh, fleet and grasp. I thought it was lethal tempo. I'm stupid. That's not as good as I thought, actually. I mean, grasp is nice. Fleet is actually really nice, too. Die! Gotcha. It's nice that I don't have, like, none range. Oh, do it. Do it, do it. Yeah! Oh, well, you know. Yeah, okay, you know what? You got me. Well done. Alright, why am I glowing, dude? Attack range increased to 525. Exalted attacks launch fire waves at level 11. Chaos next attack become ranged deals an additional 11% missing health magic damage. I did not know that. Cause it to explode. Interesting. Let's get out there. Get out there, Captain. I kind of feel stupid about the grasp thing now, but whatever. I thought it was lethal tempo, not PTA. Oops. Yeah. You think you're so cool. Oh, okay, you are. All right, you know, fair enough. You are. Stand and deliver. I should have known. What if wings but slightly levitate? You would. You wouldn't get it. All right. Get back out. Oh, my team killed everybody. I guess it was all planned. I actually planned it to go like that. I'm a genius. Also, how did my one ARAM game turn into 2 ARAM games? Anyone want to riddle me that one? How did we get here? Oh, another team fight. I'm good at those. Well, I'm almost good at I'll be good at them later. I'm not the best at them right now, actually, to be fair. Oh god. Please don't. Please don't. Okay, I panicked a little bit, I'm not gonna lie, but I think it's gonna work out. Everything's gonna be fine. There's no reason to flash. I'm just now I'm useless. Die. No, I'm not useless. I'm bait. I'm excellent bait. Bro, she wants to float like just a little bit. You wouldn't get it. Yeah, true, yeah. It took my thing. Oh, another thing though. I want this thing. I'm gonna have it. I'm gonna have it. That's mine. I'm gonna die for it. I'm dead. Whatever, I was useless at that thing anyways. Healing or shielding applies an infinitely stacking burn to a nearby enemy, dealing % max health damage over few. That might be crazy. Your attack speed is 0.63. I'm gonna go ahead and reroll that one. Explosion. 60 ability haste, kind of whatever. 20% total attack speed. You just have to take it. You just have to take it. You literally just have to. Am I not gonna take it? 20% total attack speed. Everything just comes with an extra like dagger tape stapled on it. Holy shit! I'm kaling. It's kale moment. Kale moment. I hit a level 11, huh? Fuck you, Kale. What the fuck did I do? I'm just out here being Kale. Yeah, attack speed was good. Attack speed is that's definitely the one. It's definitely attack speed is good for me. Getting range on this champ would go fucking crazy. Would you get the 250 or the 150? Actually, I have no idea. I think Kale's like technically melee, so I don't know. If you got the 250, that'd be insane. Yeah, path around the turret like that. That's fine. Yeah, this could be bad. That could be bad. Probably fine. I'm not worried about it. Rabbit on to make the Nashers work? Oh, true. Yeah. I don't play much Kale. I'm very in the Kale business. Well, that wasn't great timing on the E. Holy shit, dude. Ah! Not me, not me. You can't touch me. Okay, he literally didn't even want the smoke. Interesting. My man's immediately backed off. What the fuck? He didn't even try to stun me. He hates me. That's a Fiddlesticks. What's a Fiora? Hit someone that isn't me and then go in on it? That'd be sick, dude. Playing the game for the same amount of time as you have? I literally only know AD carry stuff, unfortunately, because I was forced into the role. I was a mid laner, but all my other friends wanted to play mid. So I was like, okay, I'll play top. And then all my other friends wanted to play top. And I was like, okay, I'll play jungle. And then all my other friends wanted to play jungle. And I was like, okay, I'll play support. And then all my other friends wanted to play support. And I was like, okay, well. And now I really love AD carry, so there you go. It is what it is. I think it's my favorite role now. And I'm pretty good at it, I think. Who's top support? We should play league together. You could support me. Yeah, I forgot about the Fiddlesticks again. I got it. You can't do it. Doesn't look much like developing a fishing game. Looks more like a catfish. Oh, you. No, it's in the background. Look. See? You caught plastic rings. Let's catch another. You know what? We got time. Let's catch another fish. What do we get? Oh, plastic rings again. That's pretty good. Pretty good. Pretty good. I'm gonna go here. What do we get? Some glass? I'm gonna buy a death cap real quick. I could get Wooglets, but they won't let me. I go needless. I'm just gonna walk around with some components in my pocket for a bit. We're taking a break because I got far in my game, so I'm taking a break to play the game that makes me frustrated. What a nice relaxing break of League of Legends. Don't worry. You're scheduled pregnant. Your regularly scheduled programming will return shortly after I lose this game of League of Legends. I mean, after we win this game of League of Legends, of course. Scheduled pregnant. What's the tweet where it's like, can someone look up FFmpeg for me? I don't look at porn and I don't know what it is. You a codec? Am I a codec? Make a video that won't play? No problem. Did you know FFmpeg supports conversion? I don't know how to do it, but it supports it. Ah! Oh, and they got the Fiddlesticks in there, man. That would not, that's not your angle, MF. Like, I hate to be that guy. Yay! Oh, a Smolder, you're not the guy. You're not the guy that's supposed to get in there first, buddy. I could have saved you with my ult. I just didn't. Because I'm dumb. In my defense, I don't play Kale. I kind of want to execute. I almost said the word that I'm not supposed to say. But I don't think I could get away with it. I do need to die, though. I'm going to just, like, defend it, I think. Oh, shit. You're fucking dead. Okay, that one I definitely could have pulled off better. You will never die. Heroes never die. I'm dead. Okay, now we go Nashers. Oh? After dashing with Snowball, you got the wrong guy. Attacks fire a secondary blow that applies on-hit effects at reduced scope. Oh my god, what do I pick? What the fuck, dude? It's literally best in slot. What the fuck do I pick? Dual wield and rush Bork? I mean, sure, it has to be, right? But Scopious Weapon's so good. Oh, man. Double 15% missing health damage is kind of crazy, though. Go Bork, you say? Oh, it's a good thing I built the components right here. There you go. Oh, did they king me? Oh, I think they got king me. Yeah, they did. Upgrading your item and gaining a random prismatic augment. What'd they get? Dashing. Oh, that's really bad. Alright, one more level, then I'm Kale mode. And I'm Kale moment. I'm having a Kale moment. I'm here. Rush? Wait, I can't buy items any faster. I'll click the shop harder next time. You know, I think it's gonna be okay. Look at this dude. What the fuck? Kale moment? Certified kale moment? Dan's having a breaker you video. I'm having it's kale time. I'm pretty sure sell a kidney. I hear those are worth a few pennies. It is crazy to me, like I could sell a kidney and then retire. And honestly, my kidneys have rocks in them anyways, as previously discussed by the previous Sky Gray story. So like, what do those motherfuckers ever do for me, huh? They could be funding my retirement. You have a backup. You don't need two. Oh my god, my damage. Wait, what the fuck? Holy shit! I was an alpha. I was casting my ult. I was knocked up though. Surely we don't lose to just big man. Okay, now we're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We're chilling. We win. Never doubted. Never doubted. Always believe in the kale. I need two with all the caffeine I drink. I definitely am mad that the one of them is like full of rocks. Not fucking with that for sure. To be sure. Kind of mad about it. Dude, I can't go for a run. My stomach actually hurts so bad. You know, number's better than 2, 3. Are you saying I need 3 kidneys? Huh. Storyline of your fishing game. Once you fish the story, you die. Until half my liver. Well, those kind of grow back. Oh, I need 3 games. I mean, we should go back to programming. I mean, we should, you know, we could, we should, we have a game. We got to make this, you know, it's hard. It's hard. Goodbye, League uncles. Help me. This is the longest break of all time. I'd be playing Clover Pit right now. So y'all fucking with Clover Pit? Game is so good. I'm addicted already. It's a fun game. There's a reason it's like the most popular game of all time ever. Okay. Clover Pit's pretty good. I think Clover Pit is really good, but it gets boring kind of fast. But I think like the first like 5 runs of Clover Pit are gas for sure. But I think that game kind of, I only played it a couple times before I got a little bit bored with it. Janna's like pretty awful in this, I think. Someone like give me an 80 carry real quick. Just like chef me up an ADC real quick. It's not what I asked for, but I will take it. Just game behind Minecraft. I think my next one's Ball Pit. You gotta fuck with Ball Pit. Instead, oh, you don't pick TF? I kind of want to pick TF. The teleport does nothing, but the stun seems like real good. I wonder if there's any like silly builds you can get going with 80 or with Draven here. Samira? I want to personally play AD carry. I don't care if we have one or not. I just like playing them. And he probably goes crazy in this game mode too. League stun. Ward seems pretty bad, but maybe you get a bunch of like big tank stuff. Draven has spin to win. Oh, she was also open? Oh, I didn't see that, my bad. I'm not a biggest fan of Samira. I'm not like hugely into playing that champion, to be honest. She's fun, but that's a cool Sona skin. Oh, I should have that Sona skin. I played League. See Worlds today? Yeah, I didn't see game 3, but I'm pretty sure. I don't think I needed to see it. Depressing. I'm assuming that means, well, depressing either means so bad for CFO. Yeah, I mean, it was still good on them for making it so far, though. It does suck to just get like absolutely rolled by KT, though. I mean, that's why they called KT Rollster, though. No, it's so hard to be a faker hater. And I'm not a fake. I'm actually not a faker hater. I got no problem like personally with the guy. I'm a T1 hater though, and it's so hard to be a T1 hater every year. The reason I'm a T1 hater though, if you want to be the best team in the world, I'm fucking with you. Some team's got to be the best, right? Some team has to be the best team in the world. That's fine. But what I can't abide by is every year they come in the underdog. We can't be doing that shit. Oh, T1 has no shot this year. Oh, they're so bad. Oh my God. They might do it. They might have the miracle run, the Cinderella run. Oh my God, can you believe it? Oh, I'm sorry. The checks notes, 2-time defending world champions are the underdogs. They're the bad team. I think you might want to check the storyline on that. That doesn't seem quite correct. Something strange about that. I mean, we take hubris, right? Now heals you on takedown, grants movement speed for the buff duration. Yeah, we take the quest. that's just pissing me off, man. Every year, wow, I can't believe what a crazy upset that they won. It's a crazy upset. It's a crazy upset. They look like garbage this year. They look like garbage every year. They do. This is just their storyline. They do this literally every fucking year. Oh, they look so no, but this year they looked so bad. They didn't even win again. They actually didn't even play a single game of League of Legends. It was so tragic. Gets to Worlds. I can't believe they're winning again. Wow. They're such a talented team. Wow. That's so unbelievable. Their players are so amazing. They came back from the crazy adversity of being the defending world champions. Yeah. Oh, wow. I'm so impressed. Wow. You see why they're easy to hate now? They don't come in. Because like Gen G legit just looks like the best team ever every year. And they never win. And T1's like Garbo, and they win every time. I can't be doing this shit anymore. Get the fuck off me! Tragic, I didn't get the kill. I want my stacks. Except that one year Gen G looks like shit, but actually won. Is this just how Worlds work? It's like the worst team, the worst LCK team wins every year. Didn't like, it wasn't HLE, but what was the team that did that like 2 years ago and they almost won? They got to the finals or whatever. Ah! Kind of sad I didn't get a bite of that. I was about to flash. Oh well. Hubris isn't on kill, or Hubris is on takedown, I hope. Ow! My man's got extra gun in his gun. What the fuck? Ah! I'm dead. G2? Was it G2? It was like 3 years ago or something? Weibo. Yeah, Weibo. That's a good word. That's just a fun one to rip. Weibo. It's just a good, sometimes you find a good word. Broadsy almost pulled off a heist. Yeah. T1 was the ones that stopped him, right? Oh, he's unstoppable, actually. You can't kill him. Bullshit champion. What was my? Oh, I took the hubris thing. I still don't have. It's like I don't even have an augment yet. This sucks. Everyone else has cool toys. I don't have shit. I need a hubris ASAP. 900. I might kill myself if I get a kill here. Oh, it's after I get a kill. I can't kill myself before. Mars G2 TES. That should be a good one. This year, guess who gets a free ride up to the top, though? Oh, lo and behold, the defending world champion / underdog, SKT. Oh, interesting. Oops. I'm so glad we have the Samira, not them. The champ shuts down my entire kit. SKT is AL. Fuck. No shot. SKT gets the free ride. I'm pretty sure they will. Give me a kill. No. Damn it. Okay. Ow. Fuck off me. Free kill. No. On my axis, dude. Dude, our Samira is cleaning. What the fuck? Does she have the executioner thing? Nah. Oh, she's final form. That's really good. She randomed it, I guess. Damn. I need to die so I can get hubris. So I can get hubris stacking. If I can get a kill before I die, though, that'd be sick. Yeah, I was going to send SKT. Really? Nah, dude. I'm pretty sure they're gonna absolutely clean them. They're gonna free ride all the way to finals. Like every magic missile. Abilities apply on hit. Executioner could go crazy with hubris here. Takedown creates an explosion. Oh. Using an ability kind of goes crazy on Draven because of the Q thing. Take I guess. Nope, I'll die if I take that. Who executes in an ARM? Coward. Fuck you. Second best team this world. They're undefeated. What region are they from? I don't know who AL is. Need stacks. I need stacks. I need stacks. Thank you. What did I get for that? 12 already. Okay. Scoring a takedown against an enemy champion within 3 seconds of damage, and additionally against 2.5 of your max health plus 1% missing health and grants 20% move speed scaling with your stacks. Pretty good. 1 per champion killed. Wait, 12. It's 1 per champ. Wait, it only counts on kill? Oh, dude, we have a Samira with like. It's got to be executioner second, dude. This shit's gonna be so hard to stack. LPL second seed. Oh. What happened to the first seed? It's so strange. Why? What part of the quarterfinals are they in? The first seed from LPL? Oh, AL is Weibo. And if their number 2 seed's undefeated, their number 1 seed's got to be like crazy strong, no? Alright, I'm focusing. He's just out of range, dude. Edge. Damn. It's only 1 stack, huh? Current location, the ocean. Yeah, they swim at home after that one, huh? Who said to play another one? I could be making games right now. Who said play another game of League? This sucks. I got Draven and ARAM, brother. Oh fuck. Hey guys. Hey everybody. I didn't mean it. I'm sorry. I didn't mean it. Not like this, please. I didn't mean it. Fuck. I did good decision. Oh, this is a good decision. I'm getting fucking chain killed, brother. Getting murdered. I should not have jumped in there. That was not my place to be for sure. It does count for takedowns? Oh, champion you've damaged within the last 3 seconds. Okay, it does count. Okay, I thought I did literally get the kill. Pick Draven and ARAM? No, I don't get to pick it. It's random, brother. What are you talking about? It's all random, all mid. It's not choose your champion all mid. It's not. It's not Kakram. Kakam. Choose champ all mid. Or I guess it'd be all choose all mid. It's not Akum. Akum's kind of not a bad acronym, no. There's someone in that bush, dude. I don't want to go in there. Just you wait. When I get like 15 Huber stacks, though, it's going to go crazy. Holy shit, I didn't even get a bite. Oh my god. Oh my good lord. Oh dear. You know, Draven usually goes BT first for this exact situation. I don't know where the hell I'm going to get my health back, bro. Oh god, Varus is just doing what I'm doing, but better. Does he also have Hubris? No, he's Magic Missile. 60 ability haste kind of goes crazy on Varus, though. Y'all, I'm not feeling so good. Current Jeffrey goes like 1-2 damage edges in the tank. I really like that build. I still don't think it's very good, but it's fun to play. Unfortunately, I think if you want to actually like win League of Legends, you got to pick champs that actually are like good or whatever, but of which Draven doesn't quite qualify. Bonk. Big man with hammer. I mean, if you're going, you got to go, I guess, Umbral next. Maybe Edge of Night probably goes crazy. Yeah, I think Edge of Night probably goes good. Tifo demolished with Draven TBH? Yeah, but that's more like the dude just being extremely cracked at Draven. Oh, thank you. I don't think he's a particularly good champion right now. 15% Omni Vamp. Tax Fire a Bolt. 20 damage, 10 ability haste, 5 lethality. You literally just get a brutalizer. I think I want the Gore Drinker though. I don't know how much it's gonna help, but it doesn't hurt. That's for sure. Fuck the axe, I need to auto attack. Nice. Alright, we're stacking up the Hubris. 16, it's 2.5 heal plus 3%. Missing health is not bad. guess like I don't even know what AD carries like feel that good. I know in solo queue like probably like Ashe Ezreal at the moment, I think. Ashe seems very good in solo queue. She does not seem very good in pro play, but much did you cash out? Not much, because I died. Okay, check in a moment. Yeah, it's 300, so it's like one extra kill. It's not nothing. Jesus Christ. Getting a little outclassed here a little bit, but other than that, you know, it's all good. Going Lethality Draven feels so bad against this team. I do a little bit of damage to Sion at least still, but I mean the rest of them are super squishy. Maybe not Yone, but there's like 3 people I insta-kill, and then there's 2 people I don't do damage to. Such is the life of lethality builds, I suppose. They got a Sona. Yeah, but she doesn't heal nearly as much in ARAM, because they knew that that would be the worst fucking thing ever if she did. So it's not as bad as it looks, but it's still pretty. Yeah, this Omnivamp ain't doing shit. Oh, did he king himself? Oh no, dude. No, he doesn't have it. I missed the axe, Lamau. Just get him. Just fucking kill. Just fucking kill. Just fucking kill. Just everything. Fire everything. Don't hit me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. Get the fuck away from me. You can heartsteal while in that form, really? Oh fuck, dude. Oh fuck. Oh fuck. I think there's the supporter skills harder than her. Luckily, she's literally cut in half. Yeah, she's literally 50% Sona. Still pretty good, though. Why you pick? It's ARAM, brother. Why you pick it? Just have fun. Relax. It's only game. Why you have to be mid? Really, we wouldn't play another one. I did only do 12,000 damage. That's good. All right, last one. I want to win one. I want to win. I'm chasing the high, brother. I'm chasing the high. No. Video game. Look at this. I got glad. No, I think I broke the cycle. I've done it. I'm free from League of Legends. For now. No one's gone. No one's truly gone. I think I'm gonna call it. My voice kind of hurts. I think I'm gonna be done. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. I will be back on Sunday. Bit of a long break, I think. Maybe Friday, if I have time. Not sure. Depends. I gotta make some. I gotta do some video editing. Yeah, I'm gonna be done though, I think. Thanks for chilling, everybody. Thank you to Fally for the raid again. It was a good time. Oh, Staten just went live. Fuck, we could have raided a Staten. That's alright. There'll be another time for you, Staten. Alright, bye everybody. See ya. Bye YouTube.